going on, boys? Here we are. We're live. And my leg's kind of flaring up this morning. Overall, the way we're opening up, you know, this is what we expected. We expected the gap up. This is what we talked about. This is what we talked about yesterday. We expected indexes to look okay. We had a retrace. Very, very bullish retracement that we're having right now. This looks very, 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 very good. We came down, came below, fine. Came back, retest, getting a push back up. 13 is incoming this range up here. I want to see a break. I think we're going to have a lot of volume. It can get choppy this week, so be careful, guys. If you're day trading, in and out, in and out, in and out. Don't stay in too long. Daddy gang, daddy gang, daddy gang. $1 pre-market is crazy. This is what we talked about. We talked about this yesterday. We talked about this in the video yesterday as well, in the AMC video. You know, price action typically, it's not like a woman, okay? And I'm sorry if you're a woman watching me. It's not about like the crappy dudes you're usually with women too, okay? So it's men and women. We're not gonna let you down. Price action, pretty true to what it does. So we're looking really. GME is kind of, you know, falling behind. It's up a little bit now. The question is did we drop another 1,000 bucks on this pre-market? More options. Probably get further out. But how do we do it? You know, what do we do? What do we do? Look at the OBV though on the Nasdaq. Just trending on the downside. If we look at everything else, it has more upside, right? Like if you look at the if you look at SPY, Dow is killing it, obviously, right? Just murdering it. So I think tech is gonna be a really good place. I'm gonna be watching those obviously heavily today. So we'll see. SYY breakout. We need that breakout to come. But I'm excited to get into some tech stuff. Tech is where I'm looking though too. AMC. I mean, guys. I mean, you know, we're getting a little bit of resistance here. Right? We had it last time. We got a little bit of resistance last time as well. You know, we hit this local high here. You know, stagnated and boom, to the moon. Right here we hit it. Came down, rocketed up the next day. I mean. It looks good. It's looking good. I can't wait to look at the volume. I can't wait to look at the borrow rate. Who knows if they've updated that or not? I doubt it, but we'll see. You know, one can hope. One can hope they do the right thing. Oh no, they haven't. Still 2%. What a joke. So that shows that. What a joke, guys. What a joke. This is the economy where people can just forge information and lie to us, but it's okay, because the Hedgies, they don't stand a chance, boys. They don't stand a chance. We're thinking like the Hedgies in this channel. So what I'm expecting here is we're getting a little bit of rejection. It's okay. It's okay. We expect a little bit of resistance. We expect the turbulence. Am I right? A little bit of downside. The question is where we find that perfect buy zone. You know, we're greedy here. We're greedy with our entries here. We don't just FOMO in. We don't just swing our nuts around. We look for the perfect entries on this channel. So the goal is, where do we find that perfect level of entry? Because I don't think we get a dip down here. I think there's a very low possibility. Gut would tell me right here in this zone, like 1180, 1165 range. It might happen, it might not. We'll have to see. That'd be probably some of the best possible entries we'll have to see. Do you see a big dip manipulated like a Wednesday to buy it? Huge respect from Boston. Respect and love from Texas. I don't know. You know, I mean, I couldn't really. I think someone actually called this dip. I don't know who called it. Someone did, I think. But I think it's unpredictable to call this. You know what I mean? This is definitely institutionally manipulated in the market. You know, they're manipulating the numbers. Now they're manipulating the actual price of the stock for a day. So that's really depressing to think about. But it looks good. You know, this looks good. I want some out of the money call options. I'm thinking April 1st, $20 strikes. That's what's coming to my mind right now. And you know what, boys? Of course I'm buying it live on the stream. Of course I'm gonna buy it live on the stream. Don't even ask. I do gotta hide my screen a little bit from you guys, because I don't know you like that. How's everyone doing? Did everyone get the? You know, I asked yesterday. I forgot we didn't ask for any prayers for AMC. Father, bless our AMC stock. Amen. But overall, it's looking really, really, really good. I'm just getting each trade prepared. chances are, I mean, I'll have to wait because the spread's going to be ridiculous. But I still want to see. They're going to be expensive for April 1st. I already know that. Trade predicted the bull trap on Wednesday. He did. Yeah, I want to say him, but I don't want it to seem like I'm riding him. You know what I mean? I get a lot of accusations in this channel. I kind of like though that I have a lot of haters on the channel. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of a fan of it. It's growing on me. But let's look at some tech really quick. We have 10 minutes. 10 minutes till open. And it's gonna take us a second because we're gonna have to keep going back and forth and reopening some stuff. I want to look at open door. Open door. A lot of these have really no. Don't want to look at open door. Pins and overstock automatically top of my list. Pins has a chance to run to 80 to 78 being a low. I think it could run higher. I think pins is ready to rip. I think pins is what I'm going to enter almost immediately. Dapper Dan, do you roll your options next? I do not roll my options. Incorrecto mundo. This is my logic. Okay, so bear with me. If I'm exiting out of my AMC, right? So if I'm trying to gain more options, correct, right? That's the goal. It's not just to keep rolling them out longer and longer and longer because I'm really not making any more money that way unless we just full send it to the moon, right? But see, when we had this move here, I was able to double my overall position from 20 contracts to 38. I know it's a little bit under, it's like 95%, but still, it was still really good, right? And so then we dipped, and now we're moving back up, and now we're sitting pretty, you know? We're sitting pretty, chilling. We might not double and make double the original gains, but we're still going to make good money, and we have more contracts than we would be if we just keep rolled over and just held to the 19th or whatever you want to say. So, I mean, paper-handed, diamond-handed, whatever you want to say, options are different, and they take knowledge to trade. So, as we're looking at this now, do I like doing the rollovers? Personally, I do not, because like I said, when I'm looking at my options, I'm not looking at the price of them per se. I'm looking at the chart to see when there's a resistance. And then I also take into account when those options expire, of course. But the main thing we're looking at is the chart for a resistance for a chance to get out. And then we want to buy a dip and to keep getting back in. And that's what we've been doing the whole time. That's why when you're watching these videos, I was like, guys, look, when we got rejected at 9.4, I was like, we're obviously not dipping. We just found a new low. We're mounting support and boom, we're going back up. I mean, it's a straight channel. We've been doing the same thing over and over and over. And that's why we keep adding more and more and more and more and more. And that's the goal. That's what we want to do. How many contracts? I have no options on BFT. That is a pure stock play for me. I think I buy AMC at open, to be honest. I think I dumped the money in at open. I really do. I mean, look how good. I mean, Nasdaq looks beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. She's thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Look, we have the wedge forming. It looks, which typically bearish. Typically, it's a little bit of a wedge, but we're lower highs, mounting support. We dipped below a little bit on that retrace, came back, mounted. Now above VWAP. We need to see how we react. Look at the OBV as well. The on-balance volume is still very much bullish, bottoming out, which is something we love to see. And the Christmas music cued. It wouldn't be a day trading day without the Christmas music. Oh, 2 in a row. Wow. So yeah, I think the trade I'm gonna get in immediately. Yeah, I hope I answered your question. The trade I'm looking in to get it immediately, that isn't AMC. I'm looking to get an AMC pretty quick. I'm not gonna lie. If we're gonna keep going. The volume's there, guys. The volume. This thing's 14.5 today. I'm gonna have to go grab the Kraken for the trade video. Dang it! I really did not want to do that, but I have a tendency of making crazy bets 24/7, 365. So this is what we're looking at. We're looking for Nasdaq to get us some help. If the Nasdaq starts helping, guys, I'm telling you, we're gonna have a pretty disgusting move to the upside. But like I said, though, be careful with taking profits and stuff, guys. You need to be careful. You need to be careful. Okay, I can't reiterate that enough. You need to be careful. And when we start moving parabolically, which it looks like we're gonna start moving parabolically, we tend to get big moves back to the downside. I've been preaching and saying this over and over and over. Puts on SOS. Is SOS rising? I mentioned SOS most likely would rise. Yeah, it's rising. So they released a video. I'm not touching it right now. I've played a lot of puts on it. I played a lot of puts on those initial run to like $8. If it gets to $9, I'll relook at it. But until then, I cannot touch it right now. There's just too many like more sure shot trades in my opinion. Is dumping 5K more into AMC being careful? Whoa, that's a Chad move if you ask me, Chad. What AMC options are you looking to get? So I'm not gonna get the same ones that I have right now. Right now I have March 19th, which is essentially I literally sold my March 19th and bought more. Just double. That's all I did. Same exact place. I want to get April 1st $20 strikes. That's what I'm looking at. I need to see how the spread looks at open. I need to see how the market moves, because when the market opens on, at least on E-Trade, it's very hard to get stuff and the spread's just so big. If you don't know what the spread is on options, it's kind of hard to explain, but the bid and ask. So it can be very difficult to try to get into. So you kind of want some stagnation, or typically AMC pumps up in the first 30 minutes anyway. So we'll see what happens, but I don't think we're going to double top here. I do not believe there's a double top in the works here. We're going to have a little bit of trouble at 12.9, I believe. But overall, we look strong. You know what's up? You ready to eat some bananas for breakfast? Dude, honestly, if I had a banana right now, I'd probably throw up. Sounds like awful. But yes, I do. Theoretically want some bananas. I think Snow is really beat up. Man, there's some good ones, guys. There's some good tech plays. Some good tech plays. Get rid of that. Semiconductors are looking really, really good as well. So I think Pins is the play. I think Pins is like looking good. She's looking thick. I think like if Nasdaq can get some pressure, 78 bucks is easy. 2-3 days, easy money. Got $115 trade before calls. Let go. You're sitting pretty. You're sitting real pretty. Yeah, I want to see the volume so bad. Show daddy the volume. Show me the volume. So all we need to see is this volume pretty soon. Try check out check. They got some approval. Guys, you know I hate these. Like, I hate therapeutics. Someone text me. Oh my god. Dude, they're to the moon. I can't tell you nothing. They're at $4, you know? I can't say nothing about those. Good morning, Nasdaq. There we go. Welcome, face of America. MAGA. MAGA. You guys see Trump's his new campaign? It's Save America. I thought that was pretty. I got a good laugh out of that. Dude, honestly, like, comedy's not the same without him. I'm a big fan of Pinterest right now, though. Oh. Woo! I'm telling you guys, this is one of those charts. I'm telling you. I'm trying to think though of a way to add educational content to the Discord without me having to add too much educational content, because I really don't want to. God, look at that! Look at it! Look at it! I mean, this is. Look at this bad boy. We're not gonna double top. We're in a moon. How's the Nasdaq look? Depends is gonna be the play I get in. Oil's kind of slowing down right now. Oil's a good hedge though. Like if you got an AMC and you go into like a safer play with it, I would do oil, just because let's say Nasdaq starts to drop, oil should go up theoretically. Pump the volume, no rookie level numbers. You gotta pump those up. Went from MAGA to Sal. I know they need to add something. There's no rhyme to it. MAGA had like a good rhyme to it, to be honest. Like, I mean, even like Democrats were like, "Yo, that's a catchphrase." I can't. It's hard to drink Red Bulls in the morning. Okay. How's AMC? Let's go back to AMC real quick. What's it at? What's AMC at? What's it at, baby? Where's it at, though? 12.8. What's GME at? Probably not 280 yet. I should be at 280. GME. I don't think GME is lagging. I think it's gonna move too. What? Motley Fool. These guys they flip bearish and bullish on a company quicker than, man, they're bipolar. AMC goes Hollywood, continues to fire up their projectors. Okay, we know about that. 20-40% theaters. There's just nothing new. It was starting to try to play Capital. I actually think so. Like, honestly, looking at the DD on GameStop, I mean, where they're at now, they're not going to be a successful company. Like, they have to completely rebrand. But you know what's crazy is I believe all this short squeeze crap is saving their company because it's buying them time and helping them not have to spend as much money as it would cost to rebrand all it. It's honestly insane to think about. Welcome, Jack. Your mic is low level today. Is it? Hello? Hello, is that better? Is that better? I turned it up more. Hope that sounds, I feel like that sounds really loud now. Donald Anderson, I know. Thank you, I appreciate it. And I say I know not like a conceited way. I say it out of people commenting, well, you say never happens, Tyler. I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm like one of the most reasonable people when it comes to AMC. I have the most like sane targets in the world. They're actually pretty conservative. Way more. Your mic is fine. Sorry, you can probably hear me gulp now. But I hope you can't hear them. If you can hear the music, let me know and I'll turn it down a little bit. But I like to have it kind of loud in my ear. And these are open ear headphones, so they're kind of loud. But overall, I mean, we're looking good. This is gonna run. I mean, I gotta get the orders ready, boys. How many are we buying? What are we looking at? Let's look. E-Trade, baby. Do I go for? Let's go. No, we're going April. No, we're not going April. We're going April 26th next week. April 1st. April Fool's Day. That sounds like a scam to me. Buy open. We want 20 dolly strikeys. Actually, you know what? 20. How much are 24s? I hear you still haven't lubed that chair. I don't own any lube, baby. I don't own any lube. Cash only here for me. Not losing my life on margins. Oof. With the music, it keeps me chill. Yep, Tyler, and this music keeps you chill all day. There we go. We got a nice little open and we're running down and we're running down. A little dip, little dip. The question is, how much are these going to cost me? You know what I mean? Oh, little dip. There we go. I don't think we double top at all, though. I hope we get a dip. Please, dear Lord, let us get a dip. I'd be ecstatic. So, honestly, like I said, this is where we want to get in, or where I'd like to get in. Can we see the volume yet? 8 million in pre-market. Wow. How's the Nasdaq looking? Nasdaq coming down a little bit. This looks really good. The price dropped 20 cents and the price of the option did not get affected, just FYI. I'm watching. Okay, they're going down in value now. There they go. There they go. Drop, baby, drop. We could come a little bit lower than this, but this is where my gut tells me looks good. Look at the Nasdaq's dropping. See, that's why we don't intertech. So we don't pre-play some stuff. I'm like, we're holding VWAP though. We're not dropping below VWAP. That's good. That's what you want to see, boys. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. And we're pushing back up. Oh my god. I got greedy. I wanted a little bit more. I want a little bit more. That's what we want. A little bit more. You know what I mean? That's what we want. A little bit more of a dip. The buyers are stepping in though. The buyers are stepping in. I have my entries ready. I'm looking. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get them right there, man. It's frustrating. Okay, I'm gonna have to push them higher than I wanted to. Okay. I'm an animal. I don't even care. Don't even care. So we bought more. Oh, I missed. Oh no. They didn't hit. Come on, dip, baby, dip it down. Get my entry, hit my entry. I put in. This is kind of crazy. The trade I put in. I don't want to even say it out loud. AMC March 26th, next Friday. $24 calls out of the money. Change. Oh crap. Because we're animals here. We're animals. We don't care. It's just money. It's just money. Oh man, we got the dip we wanted. We got the dip we expected. And look what's happening. Rip, baby, rip. Oh my gosh. 14.5 is coming today, boys. 14.5 is coming. It is here. I'm gonna have to rebuy these now. Gosh, dang it. I played that perfect. I don't think I could have played that any better. Oh my gosh, that hurts. Holy crap. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. Gosh, that is like hurting my soul. Gosh, that hurts. Dang it. Sorry, I didn't cancel this order. I'm here, guys. I'm not ignoring you. I'm looking for. I wanted to buy some for this. God, that pisses me off. Oh, I saw it too. Price action doesn't lie to you. Only women and men do. Well, primarily women, but yeah. I'm just saying, women. Like, don't hate me. I'm just saying. Yeah, I spit facts. God, look at the volume's wild. We're going 14.5 easy. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. 12.8's gonna be a resistance though. So like it's like, do I wait? But I can't wait, you know, I can't because we're just degenerates here. You know? To the min. Let's go 12.5. Oh, get in a little dip, get in a little dip. Guys, this is gonna run. This is like, you know. Who cares? Like, what? Limit 1.2. 1.25. How many can I get? Get my $10, $20. These are safer. These 20 strikes. Getting a little bit of a dip. Okay, let's look. Let's go back to the 1 mini charty. Let's look. The weekly open. Okay, that's where we're gonna bounce, I think. We're holding VWAP though. Oh my god. There it goes. GME kind of stagnating. Nasdaq looks so good. The Nasdaq's gonna be huge for us. If the Nasdaq can push, we go with it. Sorry, let's look at chats. Who got their stimulus? I don't understand why ACB is up. Let's go. A winner. Kyle. Look at that beautiful run up. Yeah, it's looking so good. I think I just enter now. I don't care. I'm just such a degenerate right now. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I got mine in, and it's going up. It's going up. I bought on the view up pretty much. Let me show you guys my play. This is what I got in, so you can see it looks pretty whack. My count. I don't want to show all my all my positions. But as you're looking, you can see it is a AMC April 1st $20 strike. About 10 of them. So it's about 1.17. It's about a little like $1,100. We're about to pop up though. We're about to pop up. Minimize it. So we're looking good. We'll come back in a little bit. Feels good, man. Feels good. We're getting the run. This is price action 101, and this is what we talked about like with Trey as well. You know what I mean? And I want to emphasize when we start getting these runs, you see, we just hold the VWAP. It's so easy to know, and I don't think we get a dip until 14.5. Yeah, pumps in the chat, boys. Pumps in the chat with Kyle. Pump, pump, pump. Good morning, brother. Out here, hate Cali trading. If you're in the Discord, I'm gonna post it exactly so you can see it. I got a really good entry. So I just posted that in the chat. So you have it, free chat in the Discord. I'm checking Discord really quick. Hey, Tyler Wilson, no more profit was but that had all my. Tyler, do you have class today? Nope. It's spring break, but I don't really go to class anyways. Class is overrated. My portfolio looks good this morning, except my tech stocks. Yeah, the tech is where we love playing. So I think actually I might trade some oil. We'll come right back. If AMC dumps, it dumps. You know, XLE dumping. Okay, good thing we did not touch any oil yet. Good thing we did not touch any oil. Damn, this one, I love this one. Holy crap. Oh, look how it opened up. See, this is one we talked about last night. The guy from the group that's mentioned it. AMC, guys, right now. Woo-wee! Look at it riding the VWAP. It's right. Hey, it's riding it. You know what? When she rides, she makes them bust. I'm just saying. Think about it. Think about it. We were in a blizzard condition today. Where you at? Why are we at war? The Hedgies, boys, the Hedgies. They want to manipulate the market, okay? But we have a secret weapon of our own. His name is David Portnoy, okay? And he bought about 1 million shares the other day, actually. This man's wild. Let's see what he says this morning. Come on, Dave. My computer's going so slow. Look at this guy. This is perfect. Oh yeah, pin got added to the. That's hilarious. An idiot. The Nasdaq coming down. We're holding up though. We're holding down. We're holding up. We're holding up. We need just hold it right here. We need the Nasdaq. We need those numbers. We need those Nasdaq numbers. Pump it up. Portnoy, he bought GME originally. I could have swore he bought some. I could have swore he bought AMC too, on Friday. I'm pretty positive. $1 million worth. $1 million worth. Sorry, bad wording. Bad wording. It could be GameStop. One sec. It could be. Chad's telling me GameStop. I was like 93.67% sure that he bought AMC. Now, I mean, there's that small 3.3%, you know, or 6.3%. He bought AMC back when it started recently. Have you checked? Check. Yeah, it went like it's too high. I can't touch it. You know what I mean? It's too high. That's gambling. That's more gambling than AMC. You know. Come on, come on. God, it's about to run again though. Holy crap! Get me out of this. I hate the 1 minute chart. I'm sorry. It hurts my head to look at. Tech is getting. Look at AMC is holding up so strong, even with Tech getting massacred right now. But this is the resistance, guys. 12.8. That's her. She's not too hard. She's not too rough. You know. We just gotta get a little bit above her. Push a little bit. Little bit. Okay. Get a little bit above and boom. 14.5. Almost that's it. Can't trust paper-handed Portney. Tri-state area, Dakota. Oh, Dakota. Oof. It's just sitting there. We need to look at some other stocks real quick. I wanted to look at some clean energy. We have Mara ripping, doing very well, but Bitcoin came down, I think, right? Yep, it did. Got rejected. Peloton getting killed. All tech looks exactly the same though right now. You know, there's no difference. Could oil retrace? I don't know. I don't think so. Sundial holding up pretty strong. I actually kind of like Sundial. I made a video on them. They're getting that bounce too. Doesn't look bad. We have AMC 1260. Oh my god, we need to go back. We have to go back here in a sec, boys. Don't worry. We're about to. We got this gold stock FNV Franco Nevada. We talked about them a while back. Killing it. Absolutely killing it. We're probably about to hit like 16, maybe seed. I think like 0. I think like 0. Yeah, Shift. This is a really cool company. Big fan of their stuff here. Oh my god! Firm hand. Hey, firm handshakes, boys. Firm handshakes. Let me turn this brightness up. I feel like am I a little dark, guys? Hey, no racism, okay? No racism. I don't like this light. That should help out. CCIV in the green. I'm a big CCIV guy. You guys know. Look at her go. Woo! There we go. It's the new camera setting I have. It brings out the 1080 quality, but I have to have, like, the brightness is way down. It just won't overheat though. Okay, see, but this is, guys, we keep talking about it. Right? The Nasdaq needs to help us. We're getting the help. Go figure. AMC is coming up. We're bouncing on support, holding support. I think we push it, boys. I think we push it in. We buy some Pinterest as well. I think Pinterest may be the way. This is the way. Let's look. 70, got a fat old dip. Oh my gosh. Come on. If it gets back above VWAP, I think we get in. At least AMT isn't following GME. That's a good point, baby. That's a good point. We're almost at 13 dog hairs. Okay? 13 dog hairs, boys. 12.95 and counting. $30 million of volume in the first 15 minutes of trading. I know I'm forgetting about the pre-market, but they don't count to me. It all counts only when the market opens. I'm just saying. How's this looking? How's it looking? One thing I want to look at is MVIS, and shout out to Trey for bringing this one to my attention. God, gapped up heavy. Everything looks like doo-doo besides AMC. What a beautiful market. Overstock is holding. Holy crap. This is what you like to see. Double trippy toppy. Whoa. Double trippy toppy. Oh, here it goes. All my things messing up. Yeah, there's naturally going to be a little wall at 13, but, you know, just relax. Relax. We're fine. Here from the Gorilla Gang. Barry Maddox, great to have you. Love to have you. 13.13. Oh baby, those calls we bought this morning again. We're not doubling down, we're tripling down, boys. We're adding more and more and more. We haven't yet. Hey, no. And the stimmy really gets here. So you guys know, the stimmy gets here for real on Wednesday. If you don't know, now you know. And I can't say the rest of that sentence. But here, let's look at this. I'm misspelling Wednesday. There we go. Yep, I got a big old email from Wells Fargo. It's pissed. But we're gonna go right back. But I want you guys to know. Here we go. Wells Fargo, Chase. There's another bank too. There's another one. Was it BBVA? I don't know. This was maybe. These are the two. Might be. I thought there was another one. Are not processing payments till Wednesday, causing outcry from their customers because everyone's dying because they can't survive 2 more days without their stimulus checks. Cry me a river. Take a chill pill. Okay, we're not even getting the money yet. We're not even getting the money. Okay, it's coming. The volume hasn't even hit. And let me tell you, all the degenerates, millennials, they all have Chase accounts. I guarantee you. I'm one of the outliers of the Wells Fargo, like an idiot. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it, boys. I'm telling you, it hasn't even started. Look at this volume. Look at the volume. Look at the 36 mil in the first 20 minutes, 19 minutes of trading. This is what we said in the video. This is what we said. Now, this is the dangerous part. We're getting the parabolic movement. But like we mentioned, each time we have reset the trend, each time we have almost doubled in value. Okay, at least 50 to 60% in value. Okay, so let's go over it. Since we reset the trend here at 7.9, we moved all the way up to 12.5. So we're gonna use our tool over here. And if you don't know, you have this tool in your TradingView as well. TradingView is super easy to use and it's free. So I'm not even gonna give you a referral link or anything like that. So we reset this trend. We moved up 62%. Now we're gonna look again. When did this all start? This was the big daddy. This was the thicker than a bowl of oatmeal right here. We'll say when we broke, right when we started right here. This is when we started rising. 96%. Now they're getting smaller, you know what I mean? But we're getting higher in value. So the question is, when does this start to slow down? We'll say this is the beginning right here. I think, guys. This is just an assumption, okay? I think we hit about 45%, 55% before we get some consolidation. You know what I mean? It would make sense. So bear with me. Follow my train of thought. Let's say we get the move today. Okay, we get the move to 14.5, 15 bucks. It's possible we keep running. It's totally possible. But what we need to do is look at history. What happens every time we get these parabolic movements, right? The big candies, right? We start to consolidate and then boom, we dump down. Okay, it just happens. It keeps happening. It just keeps happening. Now, eventually, will we keep running? Probably, maybe. I can't say. I'm only so much of one person. I'm battling the suits. We're battling the suits. But as we look here, I'm gonna bet on history to continue to repeat itself, unless we start seeing massive amounts of shorts covering themselves. And you guys want to see a joke? Let's look at a joke this morning. Let's go to iBorrowDesk. All the manipulation going on. 2%. So you're telling me almost $5 million worth of shorts have been bought in this range, and it's still at 2%. They're not charging more of a fee. Are you kidding me? The price is literally the best it's been since the beginning of February, but it's cheaper. It is cheaper, so you guys know, to short, apparently, based on iBorrowDesk, which I believe is manipulated now. It is cheaper to short this stock at $13.2 than it is at $8. Where's the logic? Is the system broken? You tell me. What's going on, Diamond? With welcome. Everybody in the fam except for me has already gotten stem. Brandon, I'm sorry. I'm with you. We're all with you. I set my trailing stop options for on the way down for that pullback pocket 13K. Congratulations, Mark. Firm handshakes. Do you use trailing stops when you sell your options? No, I don't. Nope. I am looking at the chart 100% of the time. I sell when I think the chart looks bad, or whenever I think we're gonna get a dip. Look at GME. Where you at, Doe? where you at, Doe? Ah, man, look at Look at oh crap. Okay, guys, you know, I'm not. Man, I need this. I need this right now. I need it. Look at Overstock, baby. Look at her go. Let's look how much she costs real quick. Okay. Oh my God, AMC. Guys, I'll leave this up for you. AMC 313.30. Holy moly, guacamole. Look at her go. Holy crap. You know, we'll pull this up really quick. Let's grab. I need to look at this really quick. 1 sec. I'll answer any questions here in a sec. Bear with me. Oh, 1 sec. Gosh, Nasdaq is. We knew the Nasdaq was. I'm taking Pinterest. You know, it's the one I believe in. It's the one I know. It's the one I love. This is what we're taking. I'm gonna go March 20. Do I go to 26 though? Let's look how much they cost. I mean, I think they're better for this week, to be honest. Screw it. I don't care. Full send. OSTK. What's pins at? I need to look, guys. Sorry. No, it's getting held underneath resistance. OSTK is gonna run though. We need to wait a sec. We're consolidating at 13.3, so we can come back to that here in a sec. Gosh, no. All tech looks incredible right now. We're gonna have crazy movement though, so you need to be careful. I'm expecting like wild sporadic movement all week. It's gonna be prime time for trading though. Holy crap, this is wild stuff. Call. Let's go 78. How much are they? 2. They're kind of expensive. Yeah, it's kind of expensive. The Nasdaq at? How's the Nasdaq moving? Yeah, it's gonna pop up. It's gonna keep running. This is gonna help GameStop. I mean, it's gonna help AMC. I'm sorry. Looks good. Not even concerned. Why even concerned? It's just money, right? Am I right? MVIS looks so good, guys. So good. Holy crap! Can you buy options on MVIS? Can you? Oh, you can. Holy crap! Yeah. Wow. Wow. The problem is you've already gotten a gap up, so they're not worth too much right now, you know. That's the problem, but I think MVIS is going to continue to run. Look at Pins. Pins is moving back up too. Gosh, it's a hard choice. I think Pins is safer. I think it's the safest. If I had to pick one. 21. Look, we'll go back to MVIS. Nope. There's just, I'm telling you guys right now, it's such a good time to be day trading. These are the days you love. Yeah, I'm gonna buy MVIS. I feel like it's a riskier play. The Nasdaq's just kind of trickling, moving sideways a little bit. So wait a sec. We'll wait a sec. But overall, I'm liking MVIS a lot. We'll go back to AMC for a sec. Answer some questions while we're here. Any questions? Go live with Andrew. Who's Andrew? Oh, Andrew Mo. Guys, I really don't reach out to people. Only reason why I ever reached out to Trey was because he reached out to me. You know what I mean? He came in the channel. Just my personality. Maybe it's prideful. I don't know. But I don't ever want to seem like I'm trying to use anybody. You know what I mean? That's really what I don't want to do. What's up, Tyler? We're going to war today because I've been pumping iron. Congratulations, Life CR. We live to pump iron, baby. It's not me playing hard to get. That's not what it's about at all. I just don't want to ever. I mean, I know how I would feel. You know, if someone felt like if I felt like I was being used, and I never want to feel that way. You know what I mean? So I don't ever want anyone to feel that way from me. And guys, take a look at OBV, breaking the high. Run incoming. What happened last time? What happened the last time we broke? Broke there. Boom. It's just starting. It's the beginning. Crossface and pumping iron, bro. I guarantee, though. I guarantee me and you match up on every. The only thing you might be able to lift heavier than me is squat. I will say that. You will probably beat me in a squat. But then again, are you squatting where your butt cheeks are touching your ankles? Probably not. But we'll see. I mean, I can only say. Good call option. I can't tell you what to buy. I can tell you what I bought. And I'm going to leave this here because people are going to keep asking. So we bought $20 strikes right here, right? Let me erase that. So you're going to be able to see the $20 calls. Sorry, I'm still retarded. $20 calls for April 1st. Boom. And they were $1.17 each. Ooh, yeah. But I mean, I come from like powerlifting and football and sports, so I think I'm pretty strong sometimes. It's like my bench is 330. Deadlift was 500 before I compressed my disc. I can probably still get like 465 rough, and squat is probably like 320 max. There's no, I never go heavy on squat, ever. But yeah, so welcome, Sean. Welcome. Holy shot. 310. How tall are you? I'm like 5'11", 6 foot. Matt Frazier, dude, I wish. I love Matt Frazier, man. Love that dude. Cool guy. Cool guy. I like Frawning too. Sundial ripping. Is it ripping? Because I think oh, that's weird. Oh, that's weird. I love this is why I love getting hate, though. You know what I mean? This is why I love it, because we got to come do this. Hey, what's Torchlight doing today? What's Torchlight doing? Oh, that's weird. The whole market's going up, but Torchlight's going down. And I believe I got a lot of hate on these guys. We're just going to highlight some haters right now. If you're new to the channel, this is what we do. You know, when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I admit it. I admit the hate. But let's look at some of these comments. I made a part 2 to clarify for some people. Don't listen to this guy on Torchlight. He's an idiot. I didn't say I was shorting it. I said I'm not buying, and I explained why. The whole Nasdaq went down. Stop it. The whole oil sector went up. Idiot. 90% of stocks in the Nasdaq went down, like when the Nasdaq pulled back. MMETF isn't on the Nasdaq. A lot of OTCs weren't even phased. A lot of OTCs weren't even phased. Come on. A lot of OTCs went down too. Thanks for, I was thinking about buying Torch. You're welcome, Alan. Short trader. No one is interested in listening to your pain. You have to decide what shorting is. I never said shorting, ever. The entire post made 0 sense. You're trying to hate on top. Oh, he's talking about him. Thank you. Keep pounding. This is honestly hilarious. Thanks for the laugh. I keep using Seeking Alpha as a bear. Congratulations, boys. Again, for some strange reason, you're in denial due to your own lack of DD. I mean, you know, I guarantee no one comments. Sounds like you're shorting. This guy actually was fine. Meta is a good play. I can't buy in the UK. I understand this guy's point of view. Seeking Alpha as a source. I did not even use it as a source. They see you pull up one page and they go, source. I use them as a reference, and then I backed up all my DD based on other sources. Because if you use any type of common sense and this crazy tool that was given to us called Google, you can actually use your own DD and look at other people's DD based on Google. So we can Google other facts to see if they're true. And it looks like Torchlight is quite worthless as a company, but that's why they're getting into Meta, and that's why they're only taking 25% of Meta, even though they're putting a lot of money up. So, you know, boom. There's a reason big institutional share. This guy has a good point. But see, when you come at me like this, it's a good point. And what I say, I agree the potential of divvy I heard is really high. And I said the only reason why I like the OTC is because it has little to no risk. So if you want to play the merger, why not? That's what I would do. You want no risk. If you're playing these, this is an extremely risky game. So next video, let's go to Sundial. Usually people like the Sundial. I mean, Sundial was one of those. Sundial really follows TA. Like really follows TA. Like it's super easy to predict Sundial. Oh, and I had the hat on. That's how you know I meant business. So let's go to the next one. This 32, look at that bot. I don't think it's too similar to GME, but we'll see. I know I had a few. Someone, unless they deleted, did they delete them? I never delete messages. This guy, beautiful. I'm sorry, but I don't think you really know what you're talking about. It's not doing well. What graphs are you looking at? Graphs? Graphs? Am I in 6th grade math? Do I have my graphing paper out? Get out of here. Just because it has a few good days, tell that to all the bag holders, including myself, that this stock is doing well. Please do more research. Okay, so again, if you watch any of my videos, I consistently say when we start to get very parabolic, things usually end pretty bad. Am I right? So let's look at Sundial. And if you go look at the history of every video I've made on Sundial, they stay pretty consistent. So we're going to start way too far out. This is when we made all the videos. We called this was a squeeze. This was a short squeeze because they were projected to hold below $1, which they didn't, and then we mooned. Where I said, and I made a video, I was like, man, I'd probably be getting out when it was $2, and then we pumped the videos like, guys, if you're not out at $3, you're stupid. And then we came all the way down, right? I never made one bullish video on this move up, and on this way down, I said we were probably going to come back down to 1.7, which we did. I actually had a beautiful drawing, so you can go look at the past videos. I leave all of them up, even when I'm wrong. The only videos I take down is if I lie in the video, which I made a video on BFT, and I said Chamath Palihapitiya was a CEO of PaySafe, which was false, and I have to address that. I need to make a whole nother video, but I don't want people to act on that video, so I don't want people to act on any type of lie or anything like that, you know what I mean? So I need to address that and make another video going over that. But we had to move down. We're consolidating for the past, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. 3 weeks we've consolidated in the zone. What does that typically mean? We're probably going to get a leg back up. So for 3 weeks of consolidation and, an overall, it's a big range to consolidate, primarily the 120 to 150, it looks really good. So go look at your graphing paper again, buddy. Where's Kyle? I feel like the only troll today. But yeah, so I'm not saying because I wasn't short on Torchlight, so I made no money on it. I'm just saying it was super high risk. You know what I mean? That's the point I was trying to say. Quit trolling haters. Check back on AMC. Jose Hernandez. That's why I was talking about Torchlight though. I was like, anything can happen, and that's what could hurt them. You know what I mean? The merger day, anything, especially with these mergers. That's why I don't love to play them. H-Town in the club. Ruby just doubled. I don't know what Ruby is. Seeing what's going on so far with the AMC today. What do you think it's going to get to at the end of the day? High possibility 14.5. Let's see how this continues. If we start stagnating here, there's a chance we get a dip. We'll see though. I haven't even been watching pins or anything like that. Wow. It's trying. This one's trying now. Wow, looks good. Pins. All tech looks good now. That dip this morning was scary. Overstock looks good. I think we're gonna get a $78 test. I might enter right here. Yeah, this 77.8. I think it's good. Yep. What's MVIS at? Sorry, MVIS was looking good too for options. Oh man. Came down testing. If it breaks above 18.5, which it probably will, man, this could run to $21 quick. I know we've seen just crazy gaps, right? Just crazy, like $20 really quick. This range right here, big support and resistance. I could see that being tested quick, very quick for MVIS. How's the Nasdaq looking though? The Nasdaq looks strong, so I'm not even concerned about GME dipping. honestly, not at all. How much volume is sitting in GME? 55 million in the first about 40 minutes of trading. I mean, what else can you ask for? So that looks really, really good as well. Let's go over to E-Trade. OSTK. Call. 38. It's getting a little bit of a dip. It's kind of hard to break this range right here. Oh, AMC dippy. Let's go back real quick. Let's go back really quick. Pins looks pretty good. They all look good though. Breaking it right there. That's not good. But I mean, basically, you can get these sideways movements. That's not bad as long as you just kind of hold that VWAP. Once you start holding below VWAP is when things typically get bad. Gale, personal price targets on what? AMC? Do I think we're going to $900 to $1,500? I think that's crazy, to be honest. I do not think we hit that high. That's wild. Where's Kyle? I don't know where Kyle comes in and out, dude. I'm telling you, that guy's bouncing all over the walls 24/7. I need some coffee, man. Oof. This is tough. I mean, it's holding really well. It looks really good. Only thing I'm worried about is the Nasdaq. You know what I mean? This is what I'm like. I don't love this candle and stuff. Like, so that's why I'm skeptical about getting into any plays right now, personally. Crap. Tyler, what's your personal? Yeah, whatever that. You need to stop and say that's not good so fast. Don't be. Pesto Mystic. Stop saying what? What are you talking about? Guys, I'm not gonna, if I'm looking at a chart and I think something, I'm gonna say it. What do you mean? I'm not gonna just lie to you. You want me to lie to you guys? You want me to say, okay, you know what I mean? What do you mean? I'm gonna give you my honest feedback 24/7. If you don't want my honest feedback, you want to see a hype man, then go watch someone else. You know, I'm not being mean. I mean, you know, price target right now. I mean, I want to see a $17 test ASAP. I think we could see it by the end of the week. 14.5 is my conservative target for the week, but 17 breaking above that is big. I'm not going to talk about, you know, $50 or $70 or $100 until we break above 17. 17 is a big thing. Hope you had a good weekend. Keep being honest. That's why we tune in. God bless. Yes, Kyle's here. Is Kyle here? Selling this ship till Friday. I've been blasting sea shanties. God, you're an idiot. What you don't want to see is you don't want to see a hold below the VWAP. And I keep saying that. That consensus is not going to change. And I'm going to keep saying it on repetition, right? Because very rarely do we get that dip like right here and then come back above. And then we dip right there. But typically things get bad when we hold below. I mean, we have time on that candle. We push back above. But the Nasdaq is the main thing that I'm watching. Ah, man, I want some Pinterest. Like, tech is what I want. Yep, Pinterest, I'm buying. Buying right now. I'm buying. I'm going to have $78 calls. Target's really 77. I'm grabbing for this week, so they're pretty risky, but, you know. Send it! Let's go. Calls. They're cheap. Oh, they're cheap. Oh, this could be a doubler. Quick dubby. This could be an easy W. Hey guys, if you're in the Discord, you register for the Patreon, and you don't see like my trading channels, my charts, or like, you know, the long-term stuff, Send me a DM on Discord. I mean, I have all of that like notified on there, but some people just still aren't sending them. So I have no idea if you have permissions or not. You know what I mean? I am not a mind reader. It's looking good. It's looking good. The Nasdaq. Here we go. We're breaking. We're about to break. This is going to leak right over into AMC and into GameStop right here. This is big. This is big, 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 big. You know, we're getting, this is, the little retracement we got was good. I mean, if you look on the 5-minute chart, I mean, it looks like it's flagging in this 5-minute. It looks super, super, super strong. Okay, let's look at some chats. Any stocks you guys want me to look at really quick? What calls you buying in Pinterest? Chad. You know, I got to keep you guys guessing a little bit. I bought some 78 strikes. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. It's not financial, but Deer DG. I know how to spell it. I spelled it that way deliberately. Spelled. Here we go. Look at Zom. I mentioned Zom too. I said the chart looked good, but I just don't like the company. You know what I mean? I don't like the product. Sorry, that's a better way. Gapped up huge. Just be careful. I think we get another leg down. We're getting like an A, a B, and then I think we get like a C. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I could be wrong. American Airlines, look at GPS. Gap. Reopening's going wild. Yeah, Gap's gonna fly. Gap's doing good. It's breaking that top too. Looks really good. Maybe you get a rejection here on your first try. We sometimes do, but it'll probably retest and keep going. Gap looks really, I mean, Gap's in one of the best retail plays of the year. If you buy into it. Look at Apple. Rip. Oh, yeah, someone was asking about Apple. I said fangs were, you know, they were moving really slow last week, right? And now they're just flying. So there's a high possibility quadruple witching, especially these big names are going to be the ones that are going to move a lot, which people aren't really talking about. Your favorite company, SOS, is up 25%. SOS, I mentioned them in the lives. I said I needed to do a video on them, and I mentioned them on the live on Friday at close. I said high possibility this thing goes up. Because they released some like ghetto bootleg video, like you can go to their website. It looks like some video out of like the movie Train to Busan or whatever it's called. That zombie Korean movie. Don't need coffee. Sea Shanty Gaps. Got their website. Oh my god. I can't even use his website, to be honest. What happened to this? Oh, there it goes. It's like, God, it's the slowest loading. I can't open this. I can't sit there. It hurts my head to look at that. Anyways, they did release like a video showing their warehouse or something, like with the banner that says SOS. So, I expected this bounce to happen, especially what Bitcoin did. I did not touch it. Overstock looks really good too. Overstock looks better than Pinterest. It already broke the key area, needed a break. Quick test probably coming to 78. I like it a lot there. Go back to AMC, still looks good. Nasdaq retracing a little bit, doesn't look bad. We're on the 5-minute chart, just trading at these high levels. That candle was bad, and then you know we're wrapping up really nice. So what is SOS? So at the core, SOS is a data analytics company, which you know I love data analytics companies. But then recently they announced that they're getting into the blockchain space, and their data analytics, worth noting, is based on the blockchain, which I was very bullish on originally. But then they announced they're getting into crypto, and so they started running up like crazy. And when that happened, Hindenburg, and then Culpeper Research. Culpeper Research is the better report. I used Hindenburg in the video because it was just easier for people to understand, and you have to understand people that are watching the videos typically aren't knowledgeable or educated. Not educated where they're stupid, but just educated on the stock market like some people are. So you know what I mean? So usually the trolls are going to think they're super smart, like, oh, you didn't do DD on it, whatever. It ended up going down after all that came out anyways, so whatever you want to say. But they are supposedly getting into crypto insurance, which that's a hard area to even talk about. And then crypto mining. They like diversified into a whole bunch of different directions. I'm looking at tradingview.com. TradingView. This is where to do all my charting. It's free. Palantir, it's my second favorite long-term pick'em. It looks really good. Still looks solid. I love it. I like this consolidation though on AMC. I'm a fan. What do you do? What do you do in college? What do you mean? Like, what's my major? Finance. Finance, and the track is insurance and risk management. What script is this? I have no script. I use the OBV, and then I use a custom pivot indicator I have. When are you buying Roblox? I want to go down more. Is it going down today? Yeah, it's coming down a little bit. Under 60 at least. Hey man, do you think AMC will pop like last time or still in steady growth? It's looking like it's gonna pop. I mean, this week I expect extreme volatility. I don't expect slow. Is this Webull? No, this is not Webull. This is TradingView. I do my trading though on. I have a Webull account, but I'm not super familiar with it. But I use E-Trade for options right now. I'm probably gonna start. I'm probably gonna start adding the script to the Patreon too, so Patreon members will get access to this. But I need to set that back up. Ugh. I told you about Pinterest. What do you mean? Is it going down? I think these tech socials are looking good, especially it's holding up at 7194, and Nasdaq is kind of cruising right now. Hi Tyler, what level are you looking for the Nasdaq to reach so I can track it too, please? I'm just watching. I mean, 1346 is gonna be big, and then after that, I think I have a 13.3 target. Yeah, 13.317 target. Yep. I think we're gonna start breaking. Once we start breaking, pretty much all we need to do is start moving like this. Right. What I suspect is gonna happen. That's what I want. In a perfect world. This is the part that's most important. Can you use Fibonacci replacement? I don't use fibs, but you can use them. They're here. They're right there. Maybe you were, Matthew. I mean, dude, a bad memory. I get a lot of spammers. You know what I mean? ACB up 4%. Not a huge fan on ACB, any of the cannabis plays, to be honest. Pinterest is gonna be a rip show. I think so. I mean, I'm playing some riskier plays though for sure. Can you not see my fucking shit? SYYE. Meat lovers or supreme pizza? Crap. Okay, so I've really become a really big fan of Italian sausage with mushrooms. I think I saw it on a TV show one time. I'm the guy that'll see something on a TV show and go order it immediately. Oh, big dip on Nasdaq. See, we're that sounded just no bueno. No bueno. But that's what this week is. This represents this week. Nagani Dayuf. Do you think AMC will dip so we could get a buy? I don't. I mean, we kind of have had our dips. You know what I mean? We had this dip to 12.6. And if you were here in the pre-market, I mean, like right when we opened up, we dipped down to like 11.87, and that was like perfect. Do you think Apple gets to 127? It's at 127 right now, I thought. Oh, no, it's not. Maybe we got to break this hump right here. If we break above 123.9, we do. Tyler, gym right now? No. I'm going to the gym right now. Price for Palantir. Palantir's a long-term hold. I don't even consider it, to be honest. Price target for Palantir. It's a hold and just don't even look at it. That's my opinion on it. I have no urgency to sell it at all. Kyle, I'll go to the gym around 10:30. Sundial is doing. I mean, I made the video. You know what I mean? I don't know what else to talk about on Sundial. You know, we made the video. This is what we projected. This is what we saw happening, and it worked. Yeah, I mean, it's doing really, really well. Grab some cheap calls last week for American Airlines, United, Carnival Cruise. Open to your thoughts on increased travel and where do you see it going? Okay, so you're not going to like my opinion, but I have a pretty bad viewpoint on that side of the market. I think the airlines are pretty high, to be honest. I think they're a little bit overpriced as of this moment. I think that cruise lines especially are overpriced right now. I think this is just ridiculous. But we are coming into summer, so we have to think numbers will be up. I think COVID cases are going to rise again. I think that's going to happen. We'll see what happens there. But I think that airlines are just a mediocre play. I think they have room to go down. I think travel's not the same. I've been saying since March of last year that the airline play that was going to be the play of plays was Love, which is LUV, and that's going to be Southwest Airlines. And they recover the fastest and the hardest, and that's because they're all just domestic travel. I think international travel is going to die down because of business, primarily. But that's my perspective. I could be wrong. I'm not I'm not being pessimistic here. This is just my viewpoint of the market. I think that it's just changed. So I'm not a huge fan of airlines and travel personally. But like if you're making money on them, good for you. I'm not I trade oil. A lot of people don't trade oil. So I totally am open to being wrong and I hope you make money. You know what I mean? How many shares of AMC do I have? Like none. Like 40, 50. None. Not that much at all. Holding AMC till Friday. If you have shares, do whatever you want. You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not a share guy. I'm an option guy. You come here, I'm trading options. The show, it's all called options drop. It's all about options. You know what I mean? That's primarily what I'm doing. Intraday day trading options. Now, I'm not day trading AMC by any means. This is definitely swings across the board, but yeah. But what's co-directed to the job? You realize how many Americans are going to want to fly out of the vacations? I bet international flight will hit a high mark and steadily drop to normal. Potentially. I understand that. I understand that. I do. I think there's just better long-term plays in my opinion. Maybe that's a safer bet. I don't, my just long-term view on that is just bad. You know what I mean? But I get it. I get your opinion. Like, I get your viewpoint. I'm not saying it's a bad trade. It's just I'm not excited about it. It is a safe trade. It is. You know what I mean? I want to watch Torchlight burn today. I'm sorry. Oh, it's pumping back up. There you go. A little bit of move. Hey, option drop. Should I buy in shares in therapeutics? I don't trade too many therapeutics, you know that. But people make lots of money on them. So like that's not what I'm saying. It's just my weakness. PMD and going S&P higher prices before. Of course, yeah. DNN, did they get added? They did not. No way. Oh wow, look at that gap up. You're lying. That's good. Wow. This is good. This is good. Holy crap. That's good news. Yeah, they'll go up. We're almost at break even, finally. So are we keeping you up or are you just being bored? Dude, no, I'm tired, man. I stay tired though. I go to sleep around like usually like 11:30, 12, and then I just sit there on my phone. It's a bad habit. I need coffee. I have no coffee though. That DNN's big. DNN Denison, we've been holding, we're about to get paid off. It's gonna get paid off. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Can you tweet out when you're selling your option calls to take profits? It helps us know when you're helps us that are working. What do you mean? My AMC, I can tweet it out. Yeah, I don't mind for AMC. But like other plays, I mean, like it's in the Discord and stuff. I'm getting lots of comments on this stock MC. It's coming on the radar. My friend has been, he's been at me to make a video. He has been at me. I need to make a video on MX. And I think I'm going to. He knows what he's talking about. He's one of my good friends. He helps me find all the sleepers. And I think that this is a good one. This is a good one. One of the best semiconductor plays there is. It's up high though right now. We need to talk. We're gonna have to talk about it. AMC 1332. Big energy in the chat, baby. Big energy. You want that 14.5 inbound? Look at it. It's about to break. It's gonna break. We got to stay on AMC here for a little bit now. We gotta cover AMC. We're getting the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq starts pushing back up. And we got ourselves a run. Put down the phone, get laid, and use that as a sleeping through. Ooh, spicy. So it's looking good. It's looking good. Want that 14.5 push. Greenies. DNN, good SOS, Gorilla. I'll be keeping you up. Can you tweet out AMC starting to man? It's gonna hit Kyle. It's gonna hit 14.5, and I have to go to buy Kraken and take my shirt off and talk like an ape to the guy and just pour it down my face and drink it. Marcel Perez with the pledge to Patreon. Great to have you, Marcel. Now, if you join the Discord, if you're here, Marcel, make sure you get access, and you should have the title Mob Member. I need to make a detailed tutorial on this because I think people get confused. So there is a free channel in here, but make sure you say Mob Member right here. And guys, I'm actually gonna put this link in the description too. If you want to join the free, it's just a free chat. There's not too much going on in there, but I'll put it in here. I don't share it too often, but I'm feeling generous. I'm feeling good. Can I post it? One sec. Let me post it in the chat. So if you want, I want you guys to just jump in there right now. It's a free chat, and it's not all AMC. So we got all types of stuff going on in there, but overall, here you go. I put it in the chat. That's the link to the Discord. That's the free channel. So, you're welcome. Where's Dean? Where's Dean? Kyle wants you. Dean. We're going to Uranus. Hey, Kyle, is that monkey me in truth? The baby monkey truth? Discount code? What do you mean discount code? Discount code. Discord discount. So if you go to Patreon, so the It should be in the description. So, where's my description? Can I look at my description? So you know, I mean, I'm not trying to advertise or anything, so you guys can just see this. There's 19 more spots. The first 40 people, right? You get it for $9. It's gonna go up to $15. I'm probably going to add the sell service as well for this, so you have it. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm still here. The battery overheated on the camera. Tough. But overall, I mean, we don't look bad. So, and like I said, so the first 40 members get it for $9 and you go to 15. And if I add the phone benefit to getting the text alerts and stuff like that, it'll be free. I'll just add it to these people. The first 200 though, the 240 I guess, and then the rest after that won't get access to the phone. My camera overheated. I don't have a DSLR. I was a ding dong. My sister is basically a professional photographer, and she did not tell me which camera to buy. So, but yeah, so we're still looking good, getting a little bit of resistance at this 13.5, guys. We look strong. Look, you see how we flipped 12.8 right there? It's like an $800 camera too. That's the frustrating part, but I will. I'm probably gonna sell my camera and just go buy another DSLR, or buy a DSLR. Sorry. So I'm gonna try. What is Free Trade Friday? So basically, so you know, this is how my trades look. You can see all my trades, what I'm buying, stuff like that. These are just my personal place. And then free trade, you'll get whatever trades I'm getting. I'll post them all for free on Free Fridays. You guys should thank me. I sold AMC Friday, and look, this happens to me. So the joys are gained for. So yeah, we're looking really good. I'll have the camera back on here in a sec. I'll just lower the settings. If you're in Iowa, well, I'm in Texas, so that should explain it. Look at Pence is not getting. Let's go to AMC. I want to see the volume on AMC. One sec, guys. Sorry. Look at that volume, guys. Almost 100 mil in the first hour of trading. AMC is about to fly. Oh, I'm not a part of the profit guys anymore. I want to go over that here in a sec. I'm not going to show any messages that were sent. I told him I wouldn't. Now, if he continues to bad talk me, I will. But he said some stuff that was not true. Are you taking a couple of hits? Yeah, the volume is crazy, but he's saying some stuff that isn't true, so I think that people deserve an answer. So if he continues to do it, and I continue to see people sending me messages of him lying, and I haven't showed anyone messages. I've showed one person just to get his opinion because he sent me these messages that were being sent out. But besides that, I haven't sent them to anyone else. I don't like. Again, I'm super grateful. Yeah, my camera's just overheating. Sucks. Let me see. Let me try to do something. He said time to upgrade that tech. Another patron. Okay, we got you. I got you. I saw you. I saw you. Just make sure you send me a DM on Discord. Oh, Northwest Pearl. I think you're right there, man. Wow, you're right. I'm a ding dong. Wow, I'm a ding dong. You're right. You're totally right. All right, guys, give me one second. I'm gonna go put some coffee. I'm gonna make some coffee really quick. Do you guys want me to leave the chart up? I'll leave the chart up for you guys. You can see everything as well. I'm gonna leave the chart or leave Yahoo up. I mean, I need to make coffee really. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. All right, boys, we're back. We're back. We're back. One sec. Let me, oh no. I gotta grab it all. As a whole, bring you all back. One sec. Right there. More. Right there. That looks good. Okay, we're back. We're back. We're back. I use a different camera setting too, so it shouldn't overheat. We should be good. The coffee's pretty strong. Tyler's nuts are green like Shrek's. The music turned off too. I'm sorry. You guys are just sitting in silence. That's nothing. Sorry for that. But this is good. We're coming back to a pretty good market. And everyone that just joined, so if you joined the Patreon, if you joined the Discord, sorry. And if you're from Patreon, just send me a DM and just send me a screenshot. I don't think I have a mob member. Okay, cool. I'll get you signed up. Send me a screenshot, please. Because people are going to lie to me. You know what I mean? People are going to lie. So please send me a screenshot. But, during lives, it's obviously going to be hard for me to respond because I'm trying to do this content as well. But, I mean, I will post all my still trades and stuff like that. But yes. Evan. Got a mob member asking about Evan. I have a lot of questions about these guys. They're just so ran up, and I don't love them. Double droopy ball meat. Yuck. With all these other things, is the text number going away? No. So the text number is just basic updates though. So like it's not going to be trades. I mean, I said that from the beginning. You know what I mean? So it's just basic updates. Like what I see like on like a week upcoming. Do I see an emerging market? Stuff like that. Like that's what I mean there. Ugh. So I think Wanda is screw you. Think Wanda is trying to screw me. Whoa. What happened with Wanda? Look at GME. It makes me happy to see GME go down and AMC go up. Kyle will be at 14.01, boys. Free Discord to all that wait for him. I bet Tyler looks great on Donkey. But yes. So just send me a screenshot, please, on Discord. Screenshot. Awesome. Thank you, Jay. Thank you. You're awesome. I need to make a video on NBA Top Shot. Should I make one too? I know a lot of you kind of don't care for that, but I feel like some people like do want that. I don't mind pumping one out. I think it would be pretty quick. I think it might be a cool video. Oh, Jay, you have it. So Jay, you already have all the content. You already have it. So you'll see all the only things you'll see is the free channels if you can't. If you see like my charts and stuff. Now I just made the Discord, so there's not tons of information yet, right? Dean. So bear with me there. Dean. It doesn't even show you my channel, Dean. Dean, are you in the channel? Dean 28. Sorry, do it. I can't sign up though. Always full. Love this sports talk here. Yes, it may. I'll probably do one then. I want to do one the next time I get a pack. You know what I mean? So I can do like a whole like process of it. You know what I mean? I might make a really quick AMC video like for YouTube, but I might just do it on the live. I see everyone else doing it, so it's like Tyler might as well. You know what I mean? Read the article. They moved the Class B stocks to Class A. They did that a long time ago. Gabriel. That happened in February when they moved them. But they're not the majority shareholder right now. I know that's new. And the CEO of AMC announced that during the earnings call. What do I mean, Top Shot? So it's an NFT thing. I don't want to go to it right now. I know a lot of people are here for AMC, so I don't want to like get off track. But yeah, so. But yeah, I can cover that in the AMC video too. Let me do this. We're gonna do a really quick AMC TA. Oh, you know what? I don't think I can. Because I'm not using OBS, I'm using Streamlabs. Wow, this sucks. Wiener. Wait, I might be able to. Let me see where this goes. Who knows where this file goes? Recording. 1 sec. Let me see something. General. We go back to AMC. I mean, AMC looks really good. We're about to get another breakout. I'm just kind of like being patient, trying to think of something to do before we get that breakout. Video. But I'm doing all these lives. I have to make like it hurts making content when I'm doing this many lives. Which is fine. Like I don't mind like not getting a whole bunch of like super chats or anything, but I have to make videos to make money. You know what I mean? You know. Yeah, it's old news. It's old news. Deanie says I'm in Discord. Awesome. I'll get you added. Got you. Ramen. I don't know why this stupid. I need to adjust this, but it must be because there must be something wrong with it. I need to check. I'll probably showing here as a part of the channel. Yeah, guys, don't take anything. Like if someone starts using like hate speech or something, I'll ban them. But like if someone's like just trolling and joking around, like don't ever get offended, guys. That's a part of the channel. It's a part of just like what we're doing here. You know what I mean? Like it's all like guys, you guys control me. I get the Shrek. I get the handsome Shrek. I get tons of jokes. You know what I mean? The paper hands. It's a part of the game. You know. Hey man, just read your most recent YouTube. Respect for being true to yourself. Awesome. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, JD. And guys, I hope you never take anything I say like on YouTube as, or I never want to come across as someone pushing something. Or, I mean, I feel like I'm always very open to anyone's opinions and stuff. And just because I believe one thing does not mean you can't believe one thing and then I can't get along with you. Someone said in my video that stop saying namaste because it offends Muslims. And I was like, I didn't know that. I didn't know namaste offended Muslims. Honestly, it's a joke from Blue Mountain State if you want to know what that's from. But I mean, I know Muslims. I'm friends with some Muslims. There's no hate there at all. So you know what I mean? Like, just because I believe something, I mean, I have my beliefs. And if you ask me what I believe, I'm gonna tell you what I believe was just my personal belief system, what I believe is right and wrong. But that doesn't make me hate you or anything like that. So I'm sorry if someone like has that. I think someone got mad about it. Like I was like, dude, that's just unfollow me if you don't want to hear my opinion, because you're gonna hear my opinion all the time. But I'm not gonna judge your opinions. You know what I mean? Yeah, I didn't think it did. I kneel at my Tyler video daily. Yeah, I have no idea. But it's from Blue Mountain State. It's a joke. It's like, dude, look at AMC. Hey. Firm handshakes. Golf claps. Here we go. BFT is ripping. You're lying, baby. Oh, double. Woo! Oh yeah, but I mentioned this. Once we get above this triple top range, we're gonna fly. BFT this is the way. Target range is up here. I want to see 15.8 tested soon. Go back to AMC. Sorry, gotta stay on AMC. Stay on AMC. I think the problem there was it comes from like the Hindu background or like Buddhism background, whatever background it comes from, and I think that person may have gotten offended because it wasn't their religion. It was another religious viewpoint, and I think that everyone has free will. You know, you can believe whatever you want to believe. You know, you can't. If you really want to get to someone, you can't get to them with hate. You know what I mean? You can't get to them with saying, "Stop saying this," or "You're going to hell," or something like. You know what I mean? I don't believe you get there. Like, it's not true. It's not how you get to people. Oh, this coffee's Coffee's kicking. Go Irish, go Irish. Millennial. It actually is millennials. AMC cheaper. Dude, AMC is flying, boys. Stimulus money going to AMC, it looks like. Rogan, I talked about this earlier. Stimulus money hasn't even started running. And I'm going to be the first probably YouTuber to talk about it, actually. Which I didn't even think about. I should have talked about it in the last video. If you look, Chase and Wells Fargo aren't distributing the money until Wednesday. So every millennials, this is the #1 bank for millennials right now, so you know, Chase. So let's say a bulk of millennials aren't even getting that money yet till Wednesday. 2 more days. We might see, I don't know how we move the next few days. Who knows? But it's looking good. The volume's gonna start rolling in. Things could get crazy. Could get crazy. Yeah, so that's the real movement. Now, I mean, who knows? Like, this is crazy, though. What's your #1 long-term stock? You mentioned number 2. BFT is my #1 because I love them. I legitimately love PaySafe. I love it. My calls are expiring this week. I'm holding till Friday. Well, congratulations. No one in the chat's going to call you a paper handy cucky. You're welcome. I finally broke even on Roblox. You wanted to wait to go down, in my opinion. But yeah. Getting that stimmy right now. Excuse me for a little bit while I go take care of it. Awesome. And then, guys, I'm sorry if I ask you for a screenshot for the Patreon. I'm not being a douche. I'm just like, people do lie, and you know, trolls are everywhere. So I have to, unfortunately, do that. I wish I didn't have to. Also, too, for members of the 4 members that are in the mob, what we're gonna do is on the night streams, I'm gonna have a voice channel in there. So if you want to hop in and stuff, you know, I'll definitely control it so it doesn't get out of hand. But I'll have everyone able to talk. We'll have discussions. You can ask questions. We'll have specific time periods where people can ask stuff. So I'm excited for that. I'm putting my entire stimulus into BFT and IPOE. Rip. He said douche. Reported. Report me. Cancel Tyler 2020. Paper hand Tyler, what's good? Get on the SOS hype train. I mentioned on Friday, guys, you can go look at I keep all the lives in there for a reason. That's why if someone was saying I talk bad about anyone, I'm like, dude, just go look at the live. I mean, I admit, like, I talk bad about the only person I talked bad about was the financial freedom dude, the guy who has like 4 different accounts, and then Matt Kors, because he tried to call me on and said I should delete my YouTube because I made money on AMC, then doubled back in, and now I'm making more money than I would have, guaranteed. So AMC 16, then 20, then 35, then 55, then 2000. Want to bet the Hedgies bull trap heavy when the stimmy money hits the market? Do you want to bet? Man, Jeff, you know I'm a betting man. You mean, you know I'm a bet. You know Tyler's a betting man, so you might not want to take me on that bet. Pins is struggling. We're sitting right here. Once we break this toppy, we're going up. We're flying. We're flying. Holding it. Pins is about to rip. I'm seeing a 75 very quickly. From there, 77 most likely. We'll see. That's probably gonna be a doubler. I think it's doubles the option value. That's the first trade. If you're in the Discord, I'm already in it. Honestly, you're near entries already still, so it's looking really good. Tech is just kind of just chilling right now. We're waiting for it. Tech looks really strong. Here's my problem. I don't know how to whatever Tyler to say to prove who I am. I don't even know what that means. Andrew, no money. Oh, Kyle's in here trolling hard as usual. $14, boys. 14. Golf claps, baby. Golf claps. What is a good call? So this is the call that we bought this morning. I'm going to keep the snipe because I know you guys are going to keep asking. We got into 19. We got to $20 calls for April 1st to $1.17. We bought more. And then we also have the March 19th, which I'm probably going to exit rather soon and then dump back in for longer dated calls. So we're just going to keep dumping and dumping and dumping. We just keep, it's a rotation. You know, we're just rotating. It's getting a lot of separation here, man. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! So, oh, you don't know what Discord is? Okay, so Discord's super simple. I'll make a tutorial too, because I know a lot of people that I follow are older. You know what I mean? I understand that. Like, so I'm trying to make, I try to make all the content available for everyone, but I can look at the statistics on who like follows and tunes into streams, and a lot of you guys are like 30 and older, which much love. 30 doesn't make you a boomer. I know. I kind of just troll. But I will make a tutorial for how to use Discord, what it is, and everything like that. So I'll probably make that. I'll probably make it maybe tonight, maybe. Alan. So it's super simple. I think it's super like overcomplicated and kind of like gets you stressed out. But it's basically just, I don't know if I can just show you. It's like it's like a mini forum. Imagine having a super simple forum. You know what I mean? Nando. So I have people that are joining the Patreon asking. Don't hate on us 30 somethings. Oh, much love to all you guys. I'm not a millennial. I'm a Gen Z. I'm pretty sure. Look at this run. 14.5. 14.5. We hit the target for the week on the first day, boys. Time to stretch. Stretch the old loins. Look at the... I'm sweating under here. You see the sweat? Gosh. We're looking good. Looking good. Pump, 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 pump. There we go. Oh, Trey knows. We have to go to Kyle. We have to get the Kyle. We have to make the video with the Kraken. Kyle, do you want to be in the? Are you gonna be in the video with the Kraken? Are you gonna be in the video with the Kraken, Kyle? Chat, should Kyle be in the video of me and him buying the ape juice, the Kraken we're sending to Trey? We made a wager on the stream with Trey. If we hit 14.5, we have to go get the Kraken, buy Kraken, with the demand when we're buying it that it's ape juice, and convince the guy that's ape juice. And then we just have to, I guess, pour it all over ourselves and drink it. I don't know. Do I mess around Forex? I started there. I got out of there. How much money I got on the line? I bought about 1,100 today, and then I have about another 1,900 on the other ones. So close to 3K. Yeah, 14.5 is basically in the money now. It's crazy to think about. But no, I don't mess with Forex anymore. Happy I'm out of there. You know you're old when you think Trey talks loud. Dipping a little bit. Oh. Wow, Big Dave. Woo! Is that why they call you Big Dave? Ooh, Daddy too. Go Fighting Irish. Dude, Alan, over and over Irish. Dude, your Irish got hurt by Trevor Lawrence, so they weren't no match. Just saying. What a run so far. How's Pins looking? How's Pins? Tech is holding up really good now. That's it, dude. It's about to rip. Once it rips, it's gonna fly. Your Diet Coke of the boomers. Kind of stagnate. Let's look at the volume. Gosh, this is insane. What's going on right now? What a run today. 110 mil in like the first hour and a half. Woo! TikTok gang. 15 inbound. We haven't hit 14. We haven't hit 14.5 yet. Right here represents the video we have to make. Pin soaring. Yeah, pin is soaring. That was big, that listing. I can't believe Tech is just kind of chilling on me, man. I don't want to look at Overstock. I'm kind of worried of what it's at. Yeah, it's doing well. I should have. Overstock was a safer play, but I think pins will make me more money. That's why I traded it. over stock. It was a riskier play for sure. So far too, from those options we bought this morning, just so you guys know, we're up almost. So we bought them this morning for 11.17. I don't know if you can see on my phone. Will it zoom? Will it focus? Can you see? You can't see. It won't show. They're at $2.10 right now. So we're up almost 100% on those. 90% give or take from this morning. That's good. That's really good. So like we turned 1,100 right now, almost into 2,200. That's really, really good, guys. We don't trade stocks, okay? We go options, baby. We're risking it. We're full sending it, baby. Okay? Because you know, you can talk the talk, but if you're not pushing all the chips in, saying we're getting the move now, okay? The chips on the table now. Firm handshakes, boys. Firm handshakes. Yeah, that 78 call looks really good on Overstock. I got out of it just because how tech was moving, but that was a mistake, I think. Congratulations, Alexandra. Congrats. That's looking really good. I'm going to get my ripstick out of the garage because we're ripping, baby. We're ripping. We're ripping. I'm gonna change the. I'm probably gonna change. I want to change the donation thing to the Arnold Schwarzenegger handshake. Can you sell them now if I wanted to? Yeah, I could sell them right now if I wanted to. But you know what? I think we're gonna keep going. I mean, this is insane. I mean, we're ripping really high. Like we could come down, but Wednesday's the day when things change, and they're April 1st. So I mean, I'm not concerned at all, to be honest. I'm having heart palpitations. Any Twitter news? By the way, guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter, the name is Option Drops. I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna start doing more giveaways and stuff on Twitter. It's mainly me trolling 24/7, you know, that's what it is. And then if I'm not on live, right? If I'm not on live here, then I'm just posting, you know, secret coding and messages of what trades I'm getting in. So many $15 calls expiring this week, man. If this thing breaks 15, it's gonna gamma squeeze. It probably will. Insane. It's honestly insane what's going on right now. Honestly, should I sell GME from our AMC? I can never tell you what to do. You know what I mean? I haven't bought into GME though at all. I've only been playing this. But I can never and I will never tell you what to buy. You know what I mean? Nando, 1 sec. Let me give this person permission. I had a few people sign up already. 1 sec. Move fast. 1 sec. How many more do we have? 15 more spots in the $9, and the rest will be 15. Oh. So someone commented in the Discord, it's moving so fast it's gonna dump if it doesn't slow down. So this is the thing that's different about this week, and that we kind of need to discuss. This movement is very, very parabolic, and it's very... You were getting crazy movement. Yes, I agree. But if you look at the video I sent with the quadruple witching and what they were talking about in the last video, and the CNBC video, you have to really listen to it. And I didn't elaborate on it enough. I should have, but I didn't. The video was already too long, so I just didn't want to add any more. So what's going on and what's important is that the movement that we get, it leaks over into tech, it leaks over into everything, and there's already so much volume going on here with AMC. So this could be one of the weeks we just get straight parabolic movement, just crazy, unbelievable movement all throughout the week, and then Friday it could get absolutely insane. So it's a little bit different this week. You need to take that into account. Okay, things are different this week. It's not your typical trading week. So some of the rules we typically have, they're probably gonna get broken this week. as far as the charts go. AMC, it's $20. I'm gonna buy futures on international skimmed milk powder. Kyle, do you just like Google the stupidest crap you can say? Holy crap. Only have 5 shares and I pocketed like 900. I'm gonna take that. Good job, man. Good job. BFC's killing it. Yeah, Rogan. It's killing it. 15.8 is gonna be a big resistance though. 15.8's the big resistance there. I'm all for breaking the rules, Tammy. Whoa, Tammy, chill. Tammy, hey, whoa. I have very low self-control, so chill. Kyle is literally, this is what Kyle's like 24/7. I'm telling you, man, guys, the live stream that we have coming, me and Kyle have coming for the day trading show, I'm telling you, it's gonna get crazy. It's going to be hands down the best live day trading show that has ever been broadcasted. Better than any CNBC show. It's gonna have entertainment. It's gonna have the money, the cash flow, every single thing going on. It's gonna be insane. Join the Patreon. Congrats, Alexandra. If you don't get permission to have the mob member, just send me a DM and send me a screenshot, please. Send me a screenshot with your DM. It looks really good. Looks really, really good. GME tanking. Let it tank, baby. Let it tank. Let it tank. Let that money flow into AMC. Hey, guys, let's get a good laugh. Let's get a good laugh. Let's get a good laugh. Oh, look. Hey, guys, the bar rate's going down. Can you believe it? Wow, it's going down. AMC stock is going to be... what a joke. Are you kidding me? No, it could be people transferring people over to AMC to see if it's running again. What a joke. How many more spots we got? How many more spots we got? Can we fill? 2 gone. 13 left at $9, guys. I'm probably gonna be gone by tonight. Cause I wasn't advertising any of it. The messages. Just so you know, if you send me anything on Patreon, people are probably gonna read it. Yo, I didn't get access. Yeah, so guys, when you join into the Patreon, I mean, the Patreon really doesn't have any like good content. I don't post any content here. All you do, you gotta read. This isn't even accurate on how much I make from this. It has a whole bunch of people that aren't in there. You join the Discord, and if you don't get access, you don't get the promoted. I said if you join Discord, just send me a DM. Oh, I need to edit that. Whoops. Sorry. And also, I'm sarcastic about everything I say if you haven't noticed. So, besides my trades. And look how we trend, dude. And the AMC trend right now is insane. This is absurd to think about. And now it's about lunchtime. It's about lunchtime in New York right now, about 11:18, 11:30. They're going to lunch. They're chilling. So this is good. Man, this could get wild. I don't know if we discussed it, but what's your thoughts on trades AMC 2K? So I went on Trey's show the other day and I talked, and he was asking someone. I said, "What do you think about the AMC going to 1K?" And he said it's a possibility. Now the word he said was possibility, right? And I think people get like, wording's very important. People can twist what people say. So people have said that I've sold a GME. No. People say I sold AMC stock. No. All that's pretty false when you really look at the facts of what happened and what I did. I didn't do any of those things. So you got to really analyze what he's saying. He brought a guy on that said stuff, and what I recommend doing when you listen to anyone on the internet when it comes to your money, what I recommend with anything in life is to do your own due diligence on anything. You know what I mean? So the guy said the math backs it up. I don't know if the math backs up AMC going to 2K. It's possible. Anything is possible, right? So that's dangerous. What's a screenshot? Oh God, you might be a boomer. Oh, big dip on AMC. Big dip. I don't want to screenshot that. You click it and screenshots. It takes a picture of your screen. Alan, I'm so sorry. The craziest. Historical data. God, yeah, the volume's crazy. We could potentially get a 300 mil day. This could be crazy. This could be nuts. This could be nuts. So what was I saying though just now? AMC 2K. So anything's like, you know what I mean? I have to admit anything's a possibility. Now, what's my opinion? Do I think that we're going to 2K? I do not. I don't think we're going to 1K. Now, could it happen? Theoretically, yes, it could, right? Could it happen? I'd be astonished and amazed if we went to $100. I'd freak out. You know, I'd be like, hold my drink. I'm gonna spill it. So, actually, my opinion though, you know, GME halted. Oh, if all the stars align, yeah. I mean, theoretically, I guess. I think AMC does. AMC halt? No. GameStop's got halted again. This is fine though. Like, let it go. Let it rip. Look at GameStop dip so hard and AMC's barely dipping. Guys. Guys, I mean, come on. This is beautiful what's going on. This is beautiful. This is what you want to see. Can we get, look, you know, my only dream right now, honestly, get Chantel Jeffries in here. She went into trays. Get her in. Get this woman in here, okay? I need her in here. Okay, get her in here. She likes stonks. Mia Khalifa, I think she's like married though, you know what I mean? They're doing it to AMC too. What do you mean, Rogan? Mia Khalifa would be cool. She's hot. She's kind of hot. A little kink. What are they doing to AMC? What are you talking about? You can be the wife's boyfriend. Hey, think about it. They're trying. I think we'll see. It's holding VWAP. This looks good still. I'm not bearish on this at all. I mean, it's holding way stronger than GameStop. Like, I mean, GameStop plummeting. This is how I sold though last time on AMC. This is where I sold. Alright, let's do it, Joe. Let's go on Joe Rogan. Dude, if we go on Joe Rogan, he'll be like, hey, Tyler, I have a good way to really improve your trading. Okay, you take DMT while you trade. You'll become the lines and graphs. That's probably what Joe would say. Something crazy. Jamie still coming down. Let's look. Did it reopen? It did not. Oh. Whew. Coffee ain't working. I need a stretch here in a sec. Is pins dumping? It is. It's the market's just dropping right now. Just take a chill pill. Guys, I'm not doing that on live though. I'm gonna not call up I'm not gonna mention any trades I'm really looking to get in, or mention that I'm getting into them if you're gonna just at me every time a trade starts dropping. I'm not doing that. I wanted to buy the shorts from Tesla. I was this close. Look at AMC. Dang it. Not naming names, but Vlad. Where you at, bro? Like, and we mentioned, first of all, I'm not like saying I'm happy we didn't hit 14.5, Kyle, but I'm kind of happy we hit 14.5. Pretty random same here, but I'm a little worried for the new meme retailers. I think SEC is licking their chops to make sure you do your taxes and DD, people. Yes, make sure. GameStop bouncing right back up. This is kind of funny what's going on. This is going to be the most volatile week of trading, guys. The most volatile. Look at this touch. Holding VWAP. We're about to... Guys, I gotta take the headset off for a sec. Do you realize how good this looks right now? Holding the VWAP. Getting a bounce on GME. This thing is about to break the ceiling if we really start moving correctly. Look at how we're moving on GameStop up here. This is real-time data. This is... Guys, this is what we want. Breathe in. I just gotta... Do you realize how good this looks? Take a chill pill. Look at the volume. Okay, GameStop. Okay, come on. We need those hedge funds. We need those hedge funds to start clicking that buy button, baby. We need those hedge funds. You know, hitting that buy button. The bounce back was real. Yeah, your button. Ooh, daddy, chill. We're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. That's a whack candle, but it looks okay. We're okay. It's, you know, short term. 4 minutes left in this candle. 15 minutes. Let's see how it holds. Let's see how it holds. 15 minutes. That's a good one. It's like a GameStop. It's a solid candle. We're holding support. I mean, what do you want? I haven't even made this line today. Beautiful. This line still looks thicker than a bowl of oatmeal to me, baby. Kyle's about to own so much skim milk. They don't know. They don't know because the apes are here this week, boys. The apes are here this week for AMC at least. They buy dips because we love this donk. About to view up your mother. Whoa. Daddy chill, Tyler. Daddy chill. GME just bounced back like R. Kelly's career. Hey, yo, R. Kelly's career, though. Hey. Let's go make another cup of coffee. But we don't want to jinx it. We don't want to jinx it. Everyone, hey, everyone, if you love me, we'll all go. Everyone go and retweet this now, okay? I want you to like it, retweet it. I'll give one person who retweets and likes this one right here. Did I tweet it out? Right here, this one right here. Do you like and retweet it? One person gets a free Patreon for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. One person that likes and retweets this tweet. One person. We'll randomly pick it. Just heard a screaming baby outside. Scary. I love you, but I don't have Twitter. I love you too. But you're probably not getting the free 2 weeks. God, that Nasdaq dip was nasty. Oh my god. Let's look at this chart really quick. I wonder why. Any news? God, my battery keeps exhausting. Sorry guys, I'm taking the battery out really quick and seeing if it'll stream without a battery in. I'm pretty curious. Yeah, it won't even turn on without a battery. Yeah, this one has to have the battery in. I might be able to buy a different battery though. I might be able to. We'll have to see. Sorry. We still look really good though. We still look really, really, really good. Setting up. I didn't freeze the battery, overheated. It's because I had it on a high setting earlier. I need to go buy a new. There's a stand I'm gonna buy for this today. I believe Best Buy has it, so I need to remember to go get that. So hopefully I don't forget to go buy that today. Also, quick question, guys, for you. Do you think for the videos that I make, should I keep using? So you know how I use the iPad layout for videos, if that makes sense. Let me ask a quick question just about how I'm making the videos. What you guys like better? I think the quality looks better when I use my iPad, if that makes sense. So we'll come back. This chart looks very bullish. We're flagging. This looks very, very strong. And I'm just asking so you guys, I mean, I want to do what you guys like, you know what I mean? I don't want to do nothing you guys don't want, so there's no point. I had the most random crap on my page. So, there, so you don't have to see. Okay, so looking at, for example, we'll do, so this video I made, sorry, not a good, for instance, microvision. We'll say micro, I'll mute it. So looking at it, do you like when I use this type of layout, right? Like where I have the chart and everything like this on the, with, they're both, I mean, honestly, doing the other way is easier, but I mean, honestly, like I create content for you guys. It's not for myself. You know what I mean? So, and ultimately, if it's better for you guys, it'll get more views. So what looks better for you guys? Do you like this layout with the iPad? I feel like this looks cleaner and it's better drawing. Or do you like getting, I'm trying to use an example, something like this? Do you like this better? With the camera in the bottom right with the whole computer setup. What do you all like more? Just as far as content goes. I think the tablet looks cleaner. And someone was like, you can't read the chart. I'm like, what do you mean? I mean, maybe my monitor is a lot bigger than everyone else's, but I can read the chart fine when I'm looking at it. I feel like the tablet looks better. Whole computer. I mean, I could do a mixture of both, but it's I'm getting mixed. This was a mistake to even have a vote here. If we need to read, yeah, that's a good point, Miguel. That's what I was trying to say. Like, if it's reading something and showing like news articles, it looks better on the tablet. I agree. Prefer the computer. Miss the tablet. Show one more time. Oh my gosh! I know we're gonna do this now. So I think Roblox. I know Roblox was one for. Oh, for a tablet. Sorry. Whoops. MVIS. So you see how cleaner it looks? Like when you're just looking at it, like it's cleaner. I can move it around a lot. The drawings look a lot cleaner. When you're reading stuff, especially, it looks better here. You know what I mean? And then just so you see when it's in a video, this is more of what the computer outlook looks like. It's way harder to read stuff. I mean, of course you'll be able to read it still, but I think it looks a little bit more messy. I missed the computer. You're such a troll. And this is like the computer. I mean, I don't care. I mean, I do the computer one for sure though when I have my son. Because typically when he's laying down at night is when I make my videos. And he usually uses the iPad. He likes the iPad a lot. By the way, we have how many more members? 11 more of the $9, and then those are done. So this is good. Tyler Wilson, market is looking bad. We're getting a down push for sure. I might exit my, but see, I exit pins. I exited over. Yeah, I might have to just close it out. This is tough. This looks bad. But it's just that this was the worries going to the week, and tech looks so good. The fact that we broke below that. Did Biden say anything? Let's look at Squawk really quick first. I don't think he said anything. Oh, we have tomorrow. You know what? I'm a ding dong. We should have waited. We have Powell talking tomorrow, which could be really bad for the market or really good. We don't really know. This is definitely tough, to be honest, because we have Powell speaking, and things could get really, really, really bad. Let's look at oil really quick. I might buy oil. I might buy some oils coming down heavy too. This is tough right now. Look at SOS. Ripping. The whole market's dipping right now. It's the market. It's not, you know, it's the whole market, guys. Powell speaks tomorrow. Jerome Powell, FOMC, if you're not familiar with that. Basically go over inflation, interest rates. But he's already kind of given the worst news possible, so I don't think he could say anything much worse. So we'll see. 1 sec. Stimuluses are out. I mean, the market does not look great right now. 1 sec. Atlee Clark, 1 sec. I hate selling on drops like this, you know what I mean? But sometimes you have to consider, you know what I mean? You have to look at the market, you have to look at what's going on, you have to look at catalysts and stuff like that. And so this is something you have to really look at. I mean, we're getting a triple top almost right here, right? This whole zone, we'll say right there. Quadruple top, if you want to call it that, whatever you want to call it. But getting rejected, holding at the monthly level now. We hate holding below the monthly. So we'll wait for this $8 8-minute candle to close and see where we close at. Overall, right now, doesn't look good. We did hold above it right there, but now we're underneath. So that looks not so good. And that's kind of what's holding AMC down right now, in my opinion. AMC's holding up really well compared, you know, to GameStop. But this is a little bit rough right now. AMC looking like a George W. Let's look. What do you mean, like coming down? It's gonna come down to here. Is that what you're saying? Where's the middle? Is this the middle right here? Is that what you're saying? Yeah, I mean, my position wasn't huge on pins, but I have a few. I bought a few. I was feeling really good about it. I should have recognized about Powell, and that is a fundamental viewpoint that you have to watch. The 1 minute. Oh, dude, the 1 minute hurts my soul to look at. This looks really bad just looking here. We'll see the bottom, see how it reacts. But you don't want to keep just making, you know, resistances and seeing who's gonna hold this, you know what I mean? You want to really just make your decision pretty quick here. And I have weeklies, so that's the tough part. They were really cheap though. I think I bought like 5 of them, which is tough. Don't get me wrong. That was a tough 62 cents a pop. Ugh. $600. That was closer to 500. GameStop perking back up. AMC now not following, of course. Beautiful. Good volume. Look at that volume. Holy crap. Welcome to all the people that are subbing to the Patreon, guys. A few more people just subbed. 10 spots left at $9. So we'll see how this holds right here. We're just holding that line though. That view up looks so good. Don't want to jinx it though. But it's looking decent. Tell us when you sell your contract. Sith Garagu. Dude, I can't tell you guys because I'm a paper-handed cuck. So paper hands can't tell you. You know what I mean? So I'll tell the Discord people. But you know, I'm a paper handy. Let's look at OBV on AMC. 15 minutes. So we want to look at. Oh my God. Auto. Why is it doing this? Yeah. This is still super strong. It's still good. I mean, I'm open to buying more, to be honest. Just bought some UVXY. It's going to rise. It probably will. That's a good perspective here. That is a good perspective. Volatility index, you know, this is a volatile week. Good thinking. That was a smart play there. Smart stuff right there. That was some good thinking. I don't want to FOMO in. I might add some. I could see us moving all the way up to 8.6, to be honest, quick. So you can make some quick money there. You see AMC moving really nice too. And when we get this movement too, UVXY, it could go up even if the Nasdaq starts to go up. You know what I mean? Or it could stagnate, which is good. And then when it dumps down again, it could do it. You know, it's a repetition type thing. I'm in my Patreon with Trey and get... Whoa. I mean, I'm not saying nothing like that. You know what I mean? I'm not saying anything like that. You know, much love to everyone. No competition there. I don't want nothing like that. You know. Guys, we need to get more followers on Twitter, though, because honestly, if you think about it, we don't stand a chance to get in Chantel for the channel if we have no more clout. We need more clout. We need tons of clout here on the channel. I'm assuming since your Patreon Discord is much smaller, you give more information to help your subscribers. Okay, so my Patreon is not an educational type thing, so I don't want you to join thinking that. I don't want you to think that at all. So I'll let you get a quick look. It's small because it just started like a day ago. But as you're looking, so if you're free, you're gonna see all this. You're gonna see every option trade I get in, my charts I'm looking at, things I like. So a mod member mentioned this oil play. I really love it. I love it a lot. Long-term plays I'll be looking at. The lounge. This is just basic trading stuff. Long-term potential trades. And specific questions you want an answer to, I'll try to answer them as best of my ability. The night streams, you'll have access to talking during some of the streams, during specific times. And then I'll have my long-term plays as well that I discuss on YouTube, and, you know, always having updates and stuff like that. But it's not, I mean, you'll learn, don't get me wrong, but don't expect for me to coach you. You know what I mean? That's not what it is. I got clout. I can represent you. God bless. Boomer B? I had a Boomer B following me. God bless. Pal needs to keep his mouth shut this week. Pal needs to say something good. Pal's been saying good stuff. Like, he's been saying negative stuff, but he says it in the best way possible. Like, he's like, inflation isn't bad. I'm like, yeah. That's like saying, it's like saying, you know, dying isn't scary, I guess, if you're in war. I don't know. Is it a paid only Discord? No, there's a free part as well. I just said that. There's a free part. Yeah. The free part, you're basically getting, the free chat, which is going to be lots of memes, trolls, and nonsense. The AMC vibes for everyone. And then free trade Friday, which I'll post my trades on Friday. And announcements and stuff. Think about it. Dying isn't dying after you're dead. It's a good point. Good bounce on Nasdaq. Good thing we didn't panic. Don't panic. Nobody freak out. 1 sec. Let's look. Pin's getting a little bit of a bounce. We'll see. We got to keep a close eye on this, because this is I mean, I'll have to consider this at the end of the day. What's happening? What's going on? Because Powell could, you know, like I said, screw us. Strong candle close. You know, 1 minute left. It's not a coincidence these candle closes. You know what I mean? 15 minute just about to end in 40 seconds. Let's see how this closes. This is a big candle. So 1 sec, guys. Let me watch how this closes. 20 seconds, give or take. I do not expect you to coach me. I was just looking for a smaller, well-rounded Discord. Well, yeah, and like too, like I want I want to have a community too. You know what I mean? I want to have a community where people are actively trying to help each other. You know what I mean? I want people. I want it to be more than just trading though as well. I want everyone to get along. You know, I want, like I said, community is the best word to describe what I want. And that's why I'm trying to make it affordable. And now I know 15 is still a little bit higher, but I mean, I think it's going to be worth it, to be honest. But one sec, guys. We're just waiting on this really quick. Here we go. Okay, good close. I'm sorry, I waited way too long, but that was a good close. That was solid. Let's look at AMC's close. Solid. Everything was good. 15-minute was strong. Doesn't get better than that. Intraday looks good. Tyler C, was great having you. I haven't seen you too often in the stream, but welcome. Much love. See you next time. Strong reaction to this dip. Strong. Tyson Fury's trending. Oh, boys. What does everyone think about this? Super random, off topic, but you know I'm a big sports guy. So did you guys see this? This is big. I'm so excited for this. Furry. They agreed to a 2-fight to unify the heavyweight titles. All the belts are on the line in this one. Who do you guys got? I got Fury. I like Fury. I think Josh was a little slow, to be honest, fighting wise. And you know, Fury's a little crazy. We love crazy. You got any Fubo stock? I do not. I like Fury a lot. I like his story too. Raiders traded Derek Carr. No, did they really? No way. For who? No, you're lying. Wow, that boy. You're lying. This is huge. I actually kind of like Derek Carr too. No way. You're lying. He didn't go. He didn't get traded. He didn't get traded. They love this guy. You're lying. I'm about to say, I know Gruden and him like are next door neighbors. Do I know Anton Creel? No, I don't. You did get me. I was like, I would have heard about that. That would have been all over. I was like, who did they trade for? Who would anyone give for Derek Carr? I joined Discord and definitely ready to connect with more people. I love the videos. I'm glad to have you, Richard. As a person, I like him. I do like him. I'm a Cowboys fan. I'm a Saints fan. And Drew Brees did retire today. It's a sad day for Saints fans. It's a sad. It was sad. It was a sad season for Saints fans, but. Ooh. The zoom on this camera. AMC getting some, yeah, it's doing good. Oh, there it goes. Back at 14, guys. This is huge. This is huge, guys. I can't like emphasize this enough and how it's moving. I could put pins up here. Pin should be back above $1.71. Yeah, that's really good. We're back. Good The volatility though is good. The volatility we're getting is good on pins. It makes it worth more. The volatility we're getting on AMC is worth it too. It's making it worth more. This is good. I'm telling you guys. I mean, you can't draw this up. You can't make it up. Biden set to announce. Where'd you see that, Momus? Link it in the Discord. Link it in the Discord, please. Yeah, I'm not mad that Drew retired. You know, I have a plaque of him somewhere. Anyways, I'm a huge Breeze fan. I love the Saints. I was actually at the Saints. I was at Saints versus Bears. When was my son born? 2017 or 18? Thinking 2017. The night before my son was born, I was in New Orleans at a Bears game, and then I was sleeping in the hotel. And at 3 a.m., my ex called me and said she was going into labor. So I drove back from New Orleans at like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Got to the hospital by 6 a.m. back to Houston. Welcome to the mob, Alex. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good vibes only here in the chat. What's wrong with the... I think I fucked something up. I had to have done something to my battery. I had to have done something. We'll see. You're up 5,500 on AMC. Congrats, man. Don't be greedy, man. Don't be greedy. If that's a lot of money for you, I mean, only you know how much is enough for you. But, you know, don't be greedy. Dank Hank. H-Time. Hold it down. But, yeah, so that's where it was the night he was born. That was funny. I mean, it wasn't funny because I was awake for, like, till the next day, till 6 a.m. So it wasn't funny. AJ man Warren, welcome, welcome, welcome. How many more spots do you have in the Discord? 9 more spots at the $9. You know, you're getting at the lowest rate possible right there. It's the cheapest it's gonna get, boys. I'll make you a deal. If we cap out right now, if we cap out the 40 remaining spots, I will transfer the money from Patreon, and all the money that we had from this will go directly into AMC. So we're supporting the cause. We're supporting the Gamma Squeeze, boys. So if in, let's say, the next 15 minutes, we'll give it till 11:10. If we fill out these 9 spots, I'll transfer the money over. It should be like 9 times 4, 320, no, 360 minus the tax, so like $330, give or take. Nothing serious. But I'll transfer it over and we'll put it all into AMC calls on the stream when it happens. You're probably right. I've met Joshua before, an absolute tank. He's a big dude. I think Joshua's good. Newton for Carr would be... I think Derek Carr is a good QB. He's a good quarterback. He's durable. He can take hits. He's a good guy. You want a good guy back there. So, I mean, there's a lot going for Derek Carr. Hey, Jerry, it's only money. It's only money. That's the slogan here on the channel. I'm trying to get us, you know, a mob shirt made. Wait, what, Tyler? What do you mean, what, Boomer? This is the Discord. This is the Patreon. If we fill this up, we have 9 spots left on the early bird. If we fill this up by 11:10, we have about 20 minutes. I will put all the money. I'll transfer it over to the bank account, transfer it into the E-Trade account, and I'll put I think it's like $350 on AMC calls. So it won't even go to the bank account. It'll go straight to the cause. Dank Hank, you know that's what it is. What it is. Like, I'm not here to hype stocks up. I'm here to make money. Ultimately, that's the goal. That's the goal. The goal is not to, you know, I could care less if I lose subscribers some days. You know what I mean? I don't care. The goal is to make as much money as possible and have fun while we're doing it, and educate you people while I'm doing it as well. I know it's just like I know you, Jerry. Jerry. Every time I say your name, I think of Rick and Morty. After 7 years, I'm ready to move on and draft younger mobile QB who can run and throw down the field. The running and throwing, man, I'm telling you, it doesn't last, though. It doesn't last. Deshaun Watson, it's sad to say, he got stuck with such a bad team in Houston and bad, you know, ownership. but you know his career is just gonna spiral down because of the situation he's in, and they don't last. They last probably till 30, 31, and then they get hurt. Educate me, Daddy. Tristan, Daddy, chill. Carr has had 3 years of Gruden. He's never had an oak score that long. How do you replace someone that's not as good? I agree. He hasn't had a coach. I mean, for instance, look at Cleveland. Everyone hated Baker. You know what I mean? And I'm not the biggest Baker fan, but look at what Baker's doing over there in Cleveland right now. They should have they had a chance to beat the Chiefs. They played great. That team played very good. Baker did he have one interception? I think it was a tip. So that was a great. Are you going to share the pot with the money you win to the people that help give you the money? So if we're ever doing, I'm never going to give money away to you guys. If we're going to give money away, we're going to do some type of outreach to other people that could probably use the money as a community. Every time, I'll say openly right now, I'm never going to give money to the viewers. I'll do giveaways to the Patreon. I'll do free months or free 2 weeks or whatever like that. I don't mind. I'll do those frequently. I don't mind. But what I'm saying is that if we're going to help people, if you're investing, and I mean, maybe a student did or something. I don't know. I don't know you guys personally, but I think it's more important that we help and outreach to other people personally. That's the goal here. And honestly, I've been trying. I still never got a message back from the Alex guy on Stock Twits. I tried. Never happened. He never responded. Ugh. Clark and Ronnie. You don't, as a quarterback, your thought process shouldn't be run first, because you're gonna get hurt. You know what I mean? So you gotta. I think Carr's a solid guy. I'm not gonna lie. I think he's solid. I'd rather have I would gladly rather have Derek Carr in New Orleans rather than Jameis Winston. I'm watching AMC catch up to me. It's looking really good though. Woo! The cough is killing me today. See RG3 for your best example of what not to do. I mean, it was a freak accident what happened to RG3, but you're just increasing the odds of it happening. Like, the fact that Lamar doesn't get hurt is crazy. You know what I mean? And Deshaun Watson, even crazier. Yeah, Watson over Carr, 100%. I agree. I think Gruden's going to set y'all up for something, though. You have a good coach. You know what I mean? So, be happy with that. Jameis with LASIK is going to be money. Are we talking... Jameis played this year. Dude, he didn't even know the playbook. I thought so, too. He almost messed this pass up. I can't look it up on Google or I'll get flagged my account. Dude, he almost messed this up. Look at this pass. He almost oh my gosh. If he didn't that was the easiest pass in the world. He almost messed it up. I was like, you're kidding me. I can't believe Trubisky. Look what Trubisky did though. Wait, is this the one oh no, it was a flea flicker that he overthrew. God. When he almost messed it up, I was like, you're kidding me. This is gross. But that game was disheartening to watch. We'd like to stock to the moon. Wilston's the white guy number 7 will be the starter. No, I don't think so either. He's okay, but he's easy to stop. Do you watch? I watch all football. I'm a big football football. It's kind of sad when Derek King left Houston to go to Miami, but I understand. Me and Kyle in the chat, we were there when Lamar Jackson for his Heisman year, when they played Houston and Houston upset Louisville at home. We were there. We stormed the field. That was a cold night. Fix the defense and the Raiders will go deep in the playoff. The Raiders are good, dude. They beat the Chiefs. That was evidence that they were good. They have a great running game. Carson Wentz is now able to kind of manage the clock. The defense is getting better too. They're just really young. They're very good. I'm telling you, they're very, very good. Check out High Tide. It looks good. Let's look at High Tide. Let's look at High Tide. It looks very good. I mean, guys, I'm telling you, like High Tide. I already have so much of it though. I'm not adding more. You know, Entry's first video we ever made on it was right here, 38 cents. This looks very good. Look at the flag. It's gonna get listed too, probably on the Nasdaq. It's highly, highly probable. Very, very strong stuff. March Madness, anyone? Of course, of course. Taysom Hill, he's beast. He's a beast, but he is definitely a role player. AMC analysis. We've been covering it all morning, baby. I mean, we're just kind of trending right now. We've been trending on this VWAP very, very strong. Getting that push up right now. 14.4 touch, 14.3. If we hit 14.5, we have to do this little challenge thing for Trey, which I'm not super excited about. Taysom of Walmart, Lamar Jackson. But this is AMC right now. It's just slowly moving. Can't really do nothing right now. Can't talk. I mean, there's nothing really to talk about, you know? Volume looks really good. Everything looks positive. 164K. Barely 11 o'clock. 4 hours left in the day. What a day. You know, we're setting it for 300K volume. I don't know if we get that, but it's setting up for that right now. You know, lunchtime is just ending on Wall Street. They're coming back. They're coming back from licking their loins. The suits are coming back in. They're like, okay, we've been taking a beating, boys. It's halftime. You bunch of girls or something? They're looking good. They're looking good. Thoughts on Castor Maritime? I have a lot. I have not a lot, but I have a decent bit. I'm in at 120. But yeah, we're sitting at major resistance right now. I never predict us to break on the first time. I want to see a little trend, break above, hold above, and we will look good. You know, now we're getting that $14 push here. Like I said, the suits are coming back. You know, the suits have to be at the table for us to tap that. You know what I mean? If we want to tap that, they got to be at the table. Irving Miranda. Not all the stimmies are even in yet. Chase and Wells Fargo haven't issued any. So it's looking good. I'm chugging Red Bull. I'm chugging coffee. I'm chugging it all. Oh, man. Looks good. Looks good. What's the time? 11:02. How many spots we have left? 1 spot left. Wow. Eight people just subbed. Okay, so 1 spot left. If you fill the last spot, 1 spot left by 11:10. If it gets filled, the 40 should go to 0. If that gets filled, we're gonna transfer this over to the bank account, and then we'll buy AMC with it. So 1 spot left. 8 minutes. Congrats. By the way, if you join, you want to make sure you have this right here. You want to be a mob member. So when you log on, you should be red. It should say mob member, okay? And then from there, all you got to do is, if it doesn't say mob member, you just send me a DM like this guy did. Perfect. He sent me a DM with a screenshot. The end. He's good to go. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make him a member. Please send me a DM though. I mean, send me a screenshot. Mima, I believe him. I don't know why I believe him. Is it Mima or Muma? Muma. 14.6. Okay. I'll keep coming back to this, but we need to be watching AMC. We gotta watch this right now, boys. Drew Woolheiser. Did you finish it up? Sold out. We gotta do it. Okay, so. Income, payouts. Okay, I need to change it. I don't know if you guys can see that. 1 sec. I need to make sure. It's showing the wrong amount. I don't know why. Before I send it all, I'll show you so everyone can see everything. I need to remove everyone that's not an early bird. One sec. I don't know why it's showing up like this. One sec, guys. I'm trying to figure this out really quick. It's honestly kind of crazy how many people we have that are awesome. Good to have you. We're just kind of trending up here. We look fine though. Nasdaq's looking really, really good. Just relax, just relax. We're looking fine. Because for some reason it's showing that we have like 60 something patrons, but we don't have that many. We don't have 60. This number's false, so I don't want you guys to think I'm lying. Because when it comes down to income, it takes a second for the income to show sometimes. So if I go to payout, it's showing like 240 something. That's a wrong number. See, it's slowly going up, so let's wait a few minutes just to let this number adjust. I mean, the sooner I can buy, the better, because I think AMC's about to moon. But I don't want to I don't want anyone to think I'm lying or anything, you know what I mean? So, but this is false number, so you know, I'm not lying. I don't make that much from this. Oh, big dip on AMC. Okay, we got to cover that. 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 We got to cover it. We got to cover. Okay. Big dip right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happening? What's going on? What's going on? Everyone said that they were the last one. Are all trolls. It looks really good, man. It still looks fine. I'm not worried. You know what I mean? How much volume is it? There's so much volume in this. It's bouncing right back up. It's just insane to look at this. Every time it dips, it just bounces right back. This is price action 101. I'm on my phone and I can't tell if I'm a mob member. I'll check on my computer later. If you just go over to your right, I mean, it's how you'll know if you're a member is if you go over here and you'll see all these channels. You'll see all these, right? If you're not, you'll only see these top 4. That's all you'll see. So we'll see. Big dip. It's not a big dip. Sorry, bad wording. But overall, we're dipping a little bit right now. One second. Let me turn music back on. Is the Nasdaq dumping? No, it's not. Nasdaq still looks really good. This is just, I think it's just a little fake out right here. Just chill, relax. Kyle, you're an idiot. The volume's insane right now. Can you bring up the buy and sellers on Webull? I don't use Webull. Sorry. I know you guys probably hate that. Nasdaq's trying to get above VWAP. I can try to, I mean, I have the Webull app. Let me see. I'm really not a fan of Webull. As bad as that sounds. No, this doesn't. This does not. This is not. Panhandler Bruce getting flamed today after his video bashing AMC. Panhandler? That was good. Change to hi-fi. Is hi-fi even a... Is that even a type of music? I honestly have no idea. I'm really curious now. It is. Wow. I feel like this is going to be like disco techno music. I don't know. I'm a mob member, but I'm not in the group. Just on this stream. Alan Krentz, we still love you. We still love you. Pins is kind of solid, trending sideways. Nasdaq looks good, though. I'm not concerned at all. Not concerned about anything. The Nasdaq's looking good. We're looking good. Panhandler, that crap is hilarious. That is hilarious. Like, hey, I'm gonna pour another cup of coffee. Your run first because you don't have weapons online. Oh. Look, Bruce is an old dude, okay? You know, he had some cool stuff to say on Trey's channel, but he seems like he's all over the place. And he seems like, I mean, people say, I don't like to talk bad about people, but if you're charging people $400 to talk to him for an hour, I have to comment on that. You know what I mean? Unless I don't know, like, that's a lot. That seems to be taking advantage of people. Just my opinion. I'm just saying, like, I know how much people are making, you know, on YouTube, and if you're trying to take their money, so like we can go to Bruce, Uncle Bruce. I want to watch Jarhead. I'm just like, I want to watch the movie Jarhead so bad again. Which is no flame towards him, nothing like that. Like, it's his money. Like, do whatever you want. I'm not hating on him or anything like that. But like, so basically, each 1,000 views represents $10 typically, and his videos are decently long. So he's making at least, like, every time you see a video, just think $500, give or take, if you add in these live streams and stuff. So like, the reason to charge people that is just crazy in my opinion, especially like if he has, like, does he have a Patreon or something? I don't know, but this music's trash, Kyle. You're such an idiot. So I think it's just taking advantage of people, and that's just my opinion. Like, and that's the reason why I had the $9 option for the first few people, and then the 15. I think 15's a little bit expensive, to be honest, but I think it's still pretty cheap. Especially if I'm gonna add in the texting alerts for the signal for my actual trades, just so you can see those. Because I understand people work. I'm just not doing that right now. I'm gonna wait a sec before I do that, because that's gonna take like a whole day to set up. Putting an age, I'm not putting an age limit. I'm not putting an age limit at all. More power to you if you're older doing it. I mean, I think it's kind of cool that you're in touch with the reality of how, you know, we're moving as a society, and that's what TV is now. You just signed up for Discord, Nikki. Welcome. If you don't have the permissions, just send me a screenshot with your stuff. Okay, that's all you gotta do. Let me add these people really quick. I try not to. I mean, I try to, like, I don't like to advertise, but I try to do it during the actual videos, so you guys can do it then, so I don't have to spend the time doing this. But I guess I'll do it. Northwest Pearl. It's great to have everyone, by the way, in the channel. I'm happy everyone's hopping in. One up. One sec, guys. We're about to get a breakout. We're about to get it. I posted my trade also that I got into on AMC in the channel earlier. Reeb. Reeb, you said you only see? That doesn't make any sense. Reeb, type something in the Discord. Oh, there's two of you. Reeb, you need to tell me which one's you. Send me a screenshot. I'm sorry, man. I'll ban this other guy too. This other Reeb. I'll ban the other one. One sec. So yeah, so which one? Oh my god, what a troll. Reeb 4-3s. Guys, don't do this crap, man. Like, what's the point? I want to see this guy's friend request. Friends. Wait, I'm an idiot. I don't get it, man. Like, you're that cheap? Like $9? Sundial's launching? It's because I made the video on it, boys. Gosh. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. If you didn't get a rank up, just send me a DM. Just send me a DM. Send me a DM. That's all I gotta do. How Sundial moves look. Sundial's gonna follow the Nasdaq though. Nasdaq looks good. Gosh, Sundial's doing good. Yep, this is what we wanted. This looks really good. First target though is this 0.7. 1.7. You just joined the mob. Mob. Just go, if you just send me a screenshot if you didn't get permissions. You'll see all this stuff though. You should only, if you're not a member, you only have 4 channels. Okay, so Bruce got upset today. I want to watch it. Can I? I don't care. Let's watch it. Will I get banned? Let's see. Well, wait, does someone know the timestamp around what time? Because I don't want to look. I can't look at this guy. Is that toilet paper? I thought that was toilet paper for so long. Let me know the timestamp, and we'll laugh at it. If AMC hits 200 mil volume, I'm ripping the Kraken. Well, Kyle, it's definitely gonna hit 200 mil volume. What are you talking about? It's like not even a challenge. I just got your $9 Patreon, so that there's no. It shouldn't be selling the $9 one anymore, should it? I mean, if it's still selling it, I guess cool. I mean, I don't mind, but view page, public page. There's no way it's still selling the $9 one. There's no way. How many $9? It should not. They should be sold out. I mean, again, I'm gonna honor it if it's still giving. If it's still showing up, you can buy it. Go for it. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna backtrack on it. 100%. Go do it. It's still letting people. Wow. You better take advantage. This is gonna be the last day then. This is crazy. It's letting everyone do that right now. Wow. Good for you. I mean, you're lucking out. You're lucking out right now. It's not gonna be like that forever. Tyler a troll. I'm not gonna rip him apart. Trey kind of talked about it this morning, but Trey's a nice guy. He's not gonna bad talk anyone. But I think if you're scamming people, or you're like, you know, taking advantage, like, dude, like, I think I have an obligation to call out people that are scammers. You know what I mean? 100%. If I'm scamming you for money or something, I'm telling you, no one. It is like. It looks amazing, right? I mean, I can't believe that Patreon. Like, that's crazy about Patreon. I mean, take advantage. I'm like, again, I don't care. Look at GME dumpy. But guess what? AMC go up. But we don't want GME to dump. We don't want it to. I've been out of it. What's new with Patreon? So basically, I left the $100 group. So I went from $100 to charging $9 for the first few people, and then if you're so now you can join for $9 apparently still. I want to see this Bruce nonsense, 400 an hour. Only in Vegas. Honestly, I'm thinking about, like, if I get a donation for $400, I'll pay for it. I'm not paying my own money to talk to Bruce. There's no way. I would honestly no. You know, I get a donation, I'm not paying for that. But I would love to sit in on one of those conversations. Brucey the panhandler. Y'all are such trolls. Dude, the chats are trolls though, man. Y'all are a bunch of trolls. Y'all were trolls during the live stream with Trey, man. People are like, show your account. I'm like, what are you talking about? I show my account every day. I do the live. I buy this stuff live. 9 is sold out. Well, you had your chance, guys. You had your chance. The 9 is officially sold out. As we see, there's no more. I'll occasionally do drops, I guess, for $9. I don't know, maybe. I want to give people like a whole bunch of opportunities to get in. Like, you know what I mean? I'm obviously doing giveaways and stuff too, so. Is it too early in the week to say what will happen to AMC? Do you have any predictions for the coming days? Oh, so moist. Well, that's a great name, first of all. I think it looks good. Just off the bat, I think it continues to look good. We've had wild movement. We've had crazy volume. 175 mil before lunchtime. Insane. During lunchtime, I guess. Yeah, absolutely insane. We're seeing the Nasdaq do okay. We had a bit of a retrace, but it's bouncing very, very hard. The Nasdaq rips. AMC will definitely benefit from that. We're seeing separation from GameStop as well. Very, very, very good. Overall, things are setting up the best they possibly could have. You know, we're getting a little bit of consolidation now, but this is still really, really strong. I like how we're forming. If we start getting another leg up right now, I'll be very, very bullish, and I think we can ultimately, you know, break out of this range. I think $17 is the next target after 14.5 breaks. 17 is going to be huge. Past 17 we're in uncharted territories. Someone said go 2 hours and 24 minutes on Uncle Bruce. Okay. Here, wait. Let me turn it up for you guys.
Market cap, it was 70 million out, 1,100 something a share, 100 million shares out. Oil down $1.10. Interesting on oil.
Oh, he's talking about oil. Let's see what he says.
There you go. Oh, by the way, if you're looking for me, come on in here. Let me get rid of this message. I just want to make sure you don't miss this, okay? Okay. If you're looking for me to put a buy recommendation on AMC, because I think it's going to go to $100 a share, it's not going to happen. I'm not going to do that. No. My recommendation on AMC is any of you who didn't know me before, you know, when you hadn't discovered me yet, you bought AMC like before you found me, and now you found me. My thinking on the AMC shares is get out of town, sell it, liquidate it, run, Forrest, run. Why? Almost 400 million in existence, only 50 odd million short. The number one shareholder of the company, the Chinese hedge fund, the Chinese investment company, whatever they're called, they converted their stock into Class A stock. They could sell out at any time. They only have 9.9% of the votes now. They had 47%. I think that those guys put a pile of cash into this company through all their connections in the last few years. I think they've run out of connections to put more money into the company. I really think that they've run out of places to go. And I think they're about to walk out. And I think they're going to sell. They might sell the whole block to another purchaser who's going to take a run at the company. But this stock is not going anywhere. There's just too much paper. There's probably 400 million out and 100 or 200 million floating around on top of that. 600 million. There's no way the theater chain is worth $12 billion at 20 bucks a share with 600 million floating around. And there's no way it's worth $8 billion. It won't make them that kind of money. The most money they made 2-3 years ago was...
If you guys want to know what I just sent him, I might get some hate on this. I don't know. I think it's funny. So when hopefully he clicks on that link, it's going to send him to this website. First slide. Oh, I hope he clicks on it. It's gonna send him to Old Folks Care Center. Oh man. Oh my God. I hope he clicks on it. Oh, dude. Dimension. Oh my gosh, that'd be hilarious. They send him.
was like 100 million a year. That's all the
Oh
profits
man.
they had. If these guys can make $100 million in profit, like next year, coming back to normal, 100 million in profit sounds good.
Bath
But you
givers.
divide.
Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. That is comical. That is comical. But on a real note, you can pay me $400 and I'll eat bagels and talk to you for 3 hours. That is funny. Oh, if he clicks that, I'm gonna laugh. Please let it. Hey, go on his stream and tell him to click that link, please. But like, Tyler put a really good suggestion, for why AMC should go to 2K. Please, guys, tell him to click that link on live stream. Please. I will love you forever. He'll probably roast me on some stuff, but it's okay. That is hilarious. That is some comical. If he clicks that, that'll be so funny. Maybe one of the best trolls of the year if he clicks that. Oh, that is funny. Oh my god. That is funny. It's just gonna be funny with bath givers. Oh, dude, he's not gonna. He won't think that's funny. But these young millennials think that they can day trade and post link. Can I post a link here? 1 second. Oh, the link is too long. What? I can't post a link here. The link's like two letters too long. 1 sec. Look at AMC. Little dip. But yeah, Nasdaq looks fine. Just wait. Pins is stagnating. I don't love this. How's Overstock looking? I wanted to get more Overstock. Overstock's just been holding up so well. It's kind of tough to watch. GME. Ask how GME's doing. Does he have any GME? I thought he said GME was going to like $1,000 or something. You know what I mean? Like, this is the case for GME. Let me get on Trey's channel. It's funny though, like that people's like they changed everything. It's funny because I know you can't see me. The camera, the battery overheated really bad. I have to let it cool down. Sorry. What? And it's a shame. I'm really curious because I don't watch him. I really don't watch too many people. Like people are like, you don't watch Matt Kors and these people. I'm like, I really don't watch. I don't know who these people really are. AMC looked good. I agree. AMC bullish pennant. I see it forming. It does look good. It could break down though. I mean, but we're watching for a VWAP. Yeah, I kind of saw that on Trey this morning. I was in there for like a few minutes, but what I'm saying is it's unfortunate and it shows you people's character. And I'm not like a judge of people's character, you know what I mean? But I recommend that, and what I tell people to do is just like you do your own due diligence on stocks, do your own due diligence on the people that you're watching. You know what I mean? Because they're gonna affect you no matter what. So let's say I watch Bruce every day, it's gonna affect my thinking on whatever. You know what I mean? It's gonna affect my thinking on the stocks or anything. It's gonna affect your it's going to affect the way that you view stuff. So I recommend that you definitely do your DD on people and like watch their videos, see what they're talking about, like jump in their live streams, ask them hard questions. You know what I mean? You can ask me whatever questions you want. And if I don't know the answer, I'm gonna say I don't know the answer. I need to research more. I tell you all the time, therapeutics are my weakness. I'm very transparent like in that type of stuff, but it's just like I just recommend that you guys like really like, you know, all joking aside, like it's unfortunate he joined like Trey's stream and like he got the clout, whatever, and blew up. You know what I mean? And now he's like anti GME, anti AMC. You know what I mean? It's just like it's funny how that works. You know what I mean? And it wasn't like he's like the sentiment changed, right? Because there's no sentiment change on AMC. We're looking extremely bullish. Like you can't say that we're looking bearish because we're just riding the VWAP for like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It's insane what's going on. You know what I mean? If anything, it's getting more bullish, right? So it's not like we consolidated or got any type of movement, because you can change your theory, you can change your thesis, but like if you don't give reason to that, if you don't give like logical reasons, if anything, the time when he was saying the AMC to 100, GME to 1,000 crap, like you know what I mean? Like that didn't make any sense with the time he was saying it. So it's just like I don't know. So Torchlight, well, you're buying. Okay, I understand why people are talking about this and why they're pumped up about it. I get it because you're playing it for the dividend play. The dividend play could be potentially like $2. It's something crazy. It's a crazy number. But the reasons why I don't like it, I mean, I've made it very, very clear, right? The direct offering was really scary. The $1.20 direct offering, that's a potential bottom. That's your bottom here. So we could dump. So you probably make money either way. But I just think MMA TF, right? Yeah, is a better, safer. And Torchlight, but they're both going down. So anyway, be careful with that too. I don't know what Bruce. I don't listen to his stuff. I don't know. But the if you're bullish on GME, I mean, you kind of might as well be bullish on AMC because they move. If GME goes up, AMC at least goes up. You know what I mean? So the theory doesn't make sense. That's what I'm saying. But like I say, like, I mean, do your DD on me. You know what I mean? Like, look at me. Like, analyze what I say. Am I wrong? Am I, you know what I mean? Like, do I lie? That's a big thing because everyone's gonna be wrong eventually. Trade's gonna be wrong. I'm gonna be wrong. Cores. I'm thinking who Andrew Mo. Who else is like, you know, Dead Inside's gonna be wrong. Like, everyone's gonna eventually be wrong. You know what I mean? But can they own up to it? Do they admit, like, this is where I made a mistake? I was wrong saying this. Yada yada yada. Like, you know what I mean? That's what you want. So. UAVS, big fan, big fan. I probably make an update video on them. I bought some at like 9 something though. That's the tough part, but we're getting back up there. Kyle, you wanna go to the gym? Let's go to the gym. All right, guys. Yeah, I'll come back. I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go to the gym too. That sounds good. We're looking really good. I'll come back around 2:30, 3 o'clock. Does that sound good, boys? We'll be back around 2:30, 3 o'clock. I feel negatively in here. I'm not negative at all. I just tell people to research who you're watching. Research me, you know, check me every time. You know what I mean? Like, that's all I'm saying. You know, people say do DD on your portfolio and stocks, but watch who you're listening to. Who you listen to is highly effective of what your belief system is going to be, especially in stocks and everything like that too. I'll be back, I promise. I'm sorry, I've been live for like 3 hours. 3 hours and 30 minutes. I'll be back though for sure.